Me and my sister want justice on this guy.
Oh,
Oh, brother, excuse me.
Sister?
Yeah, right?
Hey, you guys want a water bottle? I got some waters and Capri Suns.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, when we go inside, sure.
Yeah, okay, let me go grab them out of my car. I brought them especially for you guys.
Thank you. Especially.
Capri Suns for these people.
Hey, I like your jacket, mister. That looks really nice.
It's cold.
It looks nice, really. I like it. It's good fashion. Looks dope.
It's an amazing fashion. It's the only fashion
Here
you
you go.
should
Here's
have.
your whole entire drink stash now. Have fun.
No, do not. Are you supplying drinks to minors? That better be apple juice.
It's literally fucking Capri Suns and water, you stupid fuck.
Capri
He's just
Sun?
upset
What the fuck is
because he
a
doesn't get any Kool-Aid.
Capsicum water? What? Who the fuck gives children capsicum water?
I said Capri Suns and water.
The fuck is a Capri Sun?
It's a juice box, you idiot.
A juice
You are
box.
you imbecile. I hate you.
Hey, Mom.
Go.
Oh, she's a mom now? Hey,
I
Mom.
decided, yeah, because our
give him
dad
some good old
obviously,
cotties.
you know, doesn't care about us.
Why do you keep crossing your arms whenever I move? Look, I'm over here now. Are you gonna move?
Oh, hey, look, she's got a scarf.
It's weird.
Nice scarf.
I just don't like moving
Hey,
my
I
head when
don't
I
got
got
all
my
day. I
arms crossed.
got the dinner's getting cold. Let's go. Let's get this wrapped up.
I don't give a shit about your dinner.
Tony, just issue a warrant for those other.
Don't worry.
Hey, this hat is a pride. It's better than the fucking trooper hat.
Tony, I have a suggestion. Just issue
Small,
warrant
it's
for those
elegant,
other
and
cops, and that's it.
It's the same as the military.
No.
So we're real nice.
Take off your bag.
No warrant will be issued against my client.
Good. I will be back. Give me 2 minutes. Get the. When are you
going
when do you get the
upstairs
jury?
to just relieve your stress, if you know what I mean?
Shut the fuck up, Jack. Oh my god. Go get the jury back in here, you fucking.
Hey, get in.
Okay, now we have strippers in the courtroom.
The female attorney. But it was advised that
Hey, Johnson.
The guy just tackled me. And I was like, you know what this court case is about, right? Because we were walking through the detectors.
The departments.
I'm suing the department, actually. Whole department,
so-
BCSO and
Yes.
state.
We're related.
Okay, so why do we have two individual officers here?
I don't know. I wanna sue both departments, BCSO and state. Those were the people.
So you wanna get the... So you want to get the department like representatives like captains
she's
or sergeants for each
representative.
department.
Oh,
yes,
I
exactly.
don't know.
And however, even though it is slim, we do.
Wait,
the court
who's
still
the main
needs to
attorney on
take
the
that
case?
into account. It doesn't matter if
She's
it's 1 out of
Okay,
100.
so you're...
Oh, Johnson, you kidnapping me now? Johnson, no. No, Johnson, don't do that.
That's the officer. You need to get that officer
Johnson,
away from
don't kidnap
you. Need
me.
officer. You need to let go of him immediately.
Johnson, leave me alone.
Oh god, that sounds.
I'm sorry.
So bad in some ways.
So the attorney, if you want to go ahead, if you're suing the departments, then you want to just get like higher ups from the departments. You want to get the department representatives, not
Unless you're suing this
individual
officer
officers.
alone.
No, they said.
We're just
said
suing
they're
the
suing the
department.
department.
Whole
So.
department.
Why do you have a
Yeah, just sue whole department, whole state trooper and BCSO
So you want to get
department.
supervisor? Yeah. So you want to get
Then
supervisors
you want the
from those
captains and
departments
stuff
down
of those, or sergeants of those departments.
Yeah, you want.
Well, it ain't
supervisors.
me.
You can't
I'm
change
Ellis.
it now.
Sergeant, you're dumb.
You're in this shit.
No,
you
yeah,
literally
we're
have
already
to
halfway
pay
through
for
it.
that.
So.
Yeah, we're already
Okay,
halfway
we'll
through
finish
the
this up.
case.
We'll finish this up.
You're the one who farted in the.
Yeah, well, we started it while suing the individuals, so we can sue department-wise.
I have SAST formal tie too.
I wonder if the judge would get mad if I farted on his chair.
This is I mean it's SAST. All the outfits are ugly.
Okay, can we have? Can we get the bailiffs to now start?
Who keeps on bringing a gun in here? I'm gonna beanbag.
Jesus.
I've got a gun too. I mean, I have a baton.
You guys want? Okay.
Where did I get this from?
My guns are in the safety
I got a
deposit.
flashlight.
Who just went through it?
I
It was
just
this
went
guy right
through
here,
it.
the district attorney.
Okay.
I've got
I
my
went
brief.
through it.
Actually, I don't have my
Why
briefcase,
do you
but I
have
should in my hand. Oh, that was
Whoa.
a muscle spasm. Sorry, that was a muscle spasm.
Why do you have
What is it? 182 is our.
Oh, why do I have my
taser
beat
for a
bag?
reason.
I don't know. It appeared out of nowhere.
You have a taser for a reason. Then go rack it in your car. Or in a car.
Yeah, I don't think a court officer would have a beanbag gun.
Yeah, I don't either.
No. Okay, children.
Okay. Or do that and drop it on the
Hey, Smoko's one of them.
Oh, everybody
Get
look
it.
out.
It's
We
not
got
really
an
on
assistant
the
chief in the
cop
building.
right
He's
now.
got two stars.
Who?
Watch out. He's LSPD.
202.
He's not state. What is he wearing? Sir, you lost your pants.
Sir, Your Honor, where are you? This man is naked in your courtroom.
I am not naked.
I motion to have him
I-
held in contempt due to reason of indecent
Who?
exposure.
Who?
The man over there with no pants on. The
I don't
one
see anybody
I've
with
got
no
over
pants on.
here. Yes, right
Okay, you
there.
wanna
That
move
trooper.
a bit?
What about pants? Why don't people
Thank
have pants
you.
on? What?
I
Trooper,
have
you're gonna
pants
be
on.
holding contempt of court. No, you're
Sergeant,
not.
why don't you have pants on?
You tell me. Did you
First
say I was
crap
trooper?
outside.
I called you a trooper because that's what you
I'm-
are.
He's a sergeant. You
I
call him
am
sergeant. You don't call
LSPD.
him sergeant, then I'll call our supervisor, and all of you do push-ups. I don't care.
Who?
That's a sergeant.
You
Trooper.
guys do not do push-ups. Let's be
Yeah.
honest.
Anybody want drugs?
I don't think troopers do push-ups either because just
The
by the look of
only
them.
department that does any sort of push-ups is
Okay, let's
CTF.
be honest. All of you
Yeah.
guys look like you have absolutely no physical training besides the one.
Take
You
off your
are
book
a
bag.
district attorney.
No, just let.
You are the
okay.
bottom.
Yes, and I no, but listen to me. You guys
Oh.
genuinely look like you have
You
no
literally sit
physical
in a chair and
training
talk for a living.
besides
Sit in a
jumping
chair and
over
talk
that
for a
one
living.
fence.
Sit in a chair and talk for a living. You can't say that.
What?
I'm gonna have to agree with that. He
Step
does
outside.
sit around
Step
and
Okay, but then again, you guys have to
Talk
jump
for a
one
living.
goddamn
Don't do that. What the
fence
hell are you
every
doing?
Saturday
You're under
because of
arrest.
chasing
No, I'm
somebody.
Oh my gosh.
All right, you go to your chair. sit
damn.
down,
For
Well,
soliciting
please don't.
drugs in a freaking courtroom.
For soliciting drugs in the freaking courtroom. That was funny.
So why don't you go to your chair and maintain order in the courtroom before you get arrested for contempt of court?
You can't arrest me for contempt,
Absolutely,
sir.
I can't.
Well, you can't
Or how about I
because
take
I'm
over
currently
the
at my
judge?
station.
I don't know if you.
He's got the
I'll
legacy
argue
uniform. You gotta listen to him.
Smoke. I think he's just gonna
Got the
throw you
old
in
one.
handcuffs. I don't think he gives a shit.
Well, this is
He does
my
not.
spot to stay right now because the
Okay,
DA
well, you're
is
being disorderly
seated
right now
next
by
to me.
arguing with the people on the benches, so let's calm it down.
No, I'm not being disorderly, so there's
Just
a difference
stop
between
arguing,
being
fuck.
disorderly and
God.
simply speaking and
Hey, why
joking.
aren't you in a suit, Johnson?
No one's arguing.
Because he's testifying as an officer, right? Or a deputy, rather.
Hi, John.
He's testifying as a
You
deputy.
little deputy boy. Little deputy.
I give a A class, but not a suit. Yes, your friend, I'm here.
Goddamn, why are you walking like you had a stick up your ass, deputy?
Oh, leave me, Johnson. Thanks for showing up, though.
Johnson's kidnapping a kids. Breaking news. Johnson kidnaps kids.
No,
Oh my god.
he's not.
Can I speak
Oh
to you
my god, new
outside?
court case. Oh my god.
Of course.
Thank you.
Add another one to the docket.
Okay, so it has came to my attention that I cannot participate any further in this case. I have things to do very important in my head and outside of my mind, if you get my drift. So I have to tend to said responsibilities. So you and the district attorney will be taking over on my behalf. So, I mean, it's just simply you two, and then there's another. I mean, they have one attorney as well. So
We'll win
not
this
only
case.
that, it's more fair, I guess. Go add another win to the books for me.
Of course, of course.
Are you guys enjoying your Capri Suns? Yeah. Awesome.
Wait, we had
Yep.
Capri Suns?
Yeah, I handed the kids
Oh,
Capri
hell, you
Suns
got
and
someone with
water.
a mullet and jury duty, seriously?
Yeah, no disrespect. Well, that man's rocking it.
Oh, Jesus.
What?
The only people who have mullets are Aussies and people who pretend they live in the 80s.
Says the guy with the hat.
Where's the honorable judge?
Do you want me to take the hat off?
I'm quite literally standing in the judge's spot. I mean,
You're in a courtroom. Your hat should be off.
I have the same haircut as like 5 other people here. That makes me uncomfortable.
Your Honor,
I'm putting my hat back on.
approach the stand for this. I must exclaim that
court
as of this
isn't
time-
court isn't it isn't even in session. What are we?
No, I'm
Yeah,
no,
we're still
I
on
know.
recess here.
You're still standing up there, so I'm just coming to you to announce
Okay.
something. I will no longer be presiding over this case. I have important things to do in my head and
You are
out of my mind. So
You are excused. Are the other two attorneys still here?
yes, sir. They will be presiding.
Excuse, sire.
Whoa. Yes,
Wrong
okay?
guy.
sir.
Wrong
Thank
guy.
How can I help you, sir?
He knows
some
how to
water?
do it. He's
Oh,
good.
you do got water.
Feel free to take one. I'm not drinking it all.
You probably
All right,
should.
thanks, brother.
Oh my! You're a cockhead. You know that, Jack? You know, I gotta say, bailiff, you look very, very angry.
Who? This
Yeah.
one? Yes, he looks very.
He's got a very.
He looks like he's
frowny
about to
face.
do something. He's gonna roll. Go ahead.
Oh my
I mean,
god.
look at his face.
Look,
He's just he's
nose.
just
Look
scrunched
at
up.
this dude's nose. Look at his nose.
It's like somebody
Look
took
at his
his
What I
What's
made-
wrong
face.
with you, Bailey?
It's
When
like
I made
somebody
his
took-
character.
It's like somebody
Character?
took this bailiff's face, took it
And-
into Photoshop, and like compressed it,
Or
and then
it
just
looks like
slapped
he
it
was
on you,
group
dog.
He's
stomp
taking my Mustang.
from the top.
Seriously, I mean, it
That's
literally
my
looks like
Mustang. Do
this-
not
this-
take my
this
Mustang.
deputy
My
We all,
Mustang, my
we all
baby.
address something. Why does the judge have a neck tat?
Hey, I may have served some time in prison. Okay, don't
I have
worry.
a side tattoo on my head.
Oh, okay.
Representing
hell
a
is
gang, Your Honor.
I don't know.
It's like some
Shirt.
gang
It's a shirt.
tattoo.
Your
Oh
Honor,
my
are
God,
you
get one of
representing
those.
a
Yeah,
gang?
the deputy
The
has
judge is
gang
a
affiliation.
member.
Oh yeah, bro.
The judge is
I'm
a gang
fucking-
member.
Yeah.
What the?
Yeah.
Yeah, I served like 5 years for aggravated
God, I was
assault.
my
I
dad.
was-
Oh yeah, don't mess with us. We're cripping.
Okay, I'm
on
pretty
you.
sure this court
So,
case is fucked.
Yeah.
So
Hey,
We're
no,
waiting
it's
for the
not.
jury. Yeah, we're good. We're just waiting for the jury. Wherever they show up.
there's already.
Bailiff,
Oh,
go.
oh my God.
Bailiff, that's
We
on
can't
you,
have,
brother.
we can't have one jury. We have to have multiple so they can deliberate.
Yeah. The one guy over there is like, yeah, I'm gonna decide for everybody.
He's the very person that's going to decide the outcome of this case. Hey, yo, gang, blood.
Gang. I served time for aggravated assault on
Yes,
LEOs, but I'm a lawyer.
I assaulted a defendant once. I'm not disbarred. Maybe I am disbarred. Maybe I'm not qualified for this at all.
I don't know. I found this outfit next door.
Yeah, I found a briefcase and a tuxedo, and it just sort of worked. They let me in the
And
building.
I just
They didn't
speak
check
all
my ID.
fancy. And they believe me.
I watched all 20 seasons of Law and Order. That's the reason I'm qualified for this job.
I think we should have like a application in the Discord. I watched 20 seasons of Law and Order. That's why I'm qualified.
I'm binge watching. For real, Law and Order is such a good show. Like, unironically, I know the meme is hilarious, but the fucking show itself is so good. Such a good
It's
show.
actually really fucking funny. Half the episodes are hilarious. Like,
Oh
have
my
you seen the
God,
one
yeah.
where the guy gets an alarm clock up?
No, see, I see. Okay, I'm watching it from a really weird. Okay, so hold on. Are you watching which Law and Order are you watching? Like the regular Law and Order, or like Special Victims? Oh, see, I'm not. I'm watching just the regular Law and Order, the homicide.
Special
one.
Victims funny as shit.
Oh, I'm not. I'm watching the homicide one. Yeah.
Damn, what's that on?
I have
We'll start
Peacock,
watching.
the HBO
Peacock.
stream.
Cock.
Yeah.
He's like cock.
Kiak.
Oh,
No, it's really good. Yeah, I'm gonna watch Special Victims next, but it's
Special
genuinely a
Victims
very good
is
show.
fucking hilarious. It's really bizarre shit that's happened to people.
Yeah, they're really creative. The writers are really, really creative with how they do it. I mean, it's incredible.
The one guy gets a fucking alarm clock up his ass.
Judge, you will
Doesn't-
be held in contempt of court.
We're in recess. What the fuck?
Yeah, I'm playing with my toys. Fuck, let me alone.
What is on this computer?
Choo-choo.
Judge. That's extremely inappropriate.
Mustang is now locked.
Furry porn again.
So
Oh,
no
God
one
damn
can
it. Stop
pick
looking
it
at
up.
my
Yeah,
hentai.
no, do not pick up my Mustang.
Judge, what do you do? Is that lotion?
I have lotion.
Hey, stop looking through my stuff.
Hey, somebody got a lotion? Gimme.
Deputy bailiff.
Hey, what's in the garbage?
Court sessions can get a little
Okay,
boring.
can somebody?
Get my drift.
We're gonna
This
need people to start
judge-
volunteering it because the
I'm jury.
only
I'll be a
jury we
jury.
had just left. Okay, I think a police officer would be a little biased.
Yeah,
Hold
I
on,
feel
let
like
me
that's
just-
no. I
No,
yeah,
let me
I
just
feel
take
like
these
that's
clothes.
No,
I feel like
no.
it's a conflict of interest. Is if the
See, I'm not a police
look at-
officer anymore.
yeah, but you have a gun now, so now you're in. Now you've committed a felony.
No,
Didn't even bother wearing a suit.
I
to
don't
court.
have a gun.
Doesn't
It's an empty
wear
holster.
suit.
Yeah, you're wearing a holster.
Hey, this is the only suit I
How
had.
rude.
They removed my gun
Yeah,
when
But
I
you're
got
still
here.
a cop.
Why
That's
do I
still
have
no matter what you're wearing,
not a
it's still a
cop.
conflict of interest.
No, I'm
Yeah.
not a cop.
Not you.
Hold
the
on.
I'm not a
fucking guy in
cop
the suit.
either.
Not you. We're
I'm
not talking.
a-
Oh
Nothing,
yeah, you're definitely not
nothing
wearing a police
revolves
hat
around
and the
you.
fucking
Army.
sergeant stripes now.
The Navy.
You're with the Los Santos Police Department Navy.
No, I'm just
Nice.
with the Los Santos P Navy.
Nice.
Where the fuck is the jury, man? We can't get this shit started without a jury.
I am here.
Right here. You got. I'm here.
Okay. You go over there then. So we got 1, 2. We'll take what we can get. Okay, we'll take with what we can get. We
I'm
got
not
3.
like. I'll make you a deal, all right? I won't make a decision. I'll just inform everyone on laws.
Okay.
Wait, hang on. I'm not.
He's
I'll
the
take.
informant.
I'll
He's
take
the
what we
criminal
can get.
informant.
I'll arrest
Make
anybody
it
who
mix.
doesn't.
Can I be like a defense?
You are the
Maybe
defense
turn-
attorney, dumbass.
Yeah, and
I
jury.
am not.
Like, can I
No,
partake in the
no,
jury?
Jack. That's such a conflict of interest, bro. Get the
I
am
don't see an
interested.
issue with it, bro.
Oh, can the defense attorney be a juror?
I'm a
Yeah, that would make
Your
a lot of
Honor,
sense.
I'm extremely
detective,
hungry and
no.
thirsty. I request to have
I
a
don't
bottle
care.
of
Take a
water
seat.
and a
Take
bag
a
of
seat.
Cheez-Its.
Get back
don't
to the
pick lock it.
stand. Get back to your seat.
I apologize.
Don't pick lock.
Is that hentai?
What?
It is hentai. Is there an issue?
Send me that link.
Okay,
Hey,
I'll
yo.
send
Send
it
me
to you
that
after.
too.
I'll send it to you if you sit down. There you go.
I guess send me.
I'm bribing the jury,
Who sees this?
charging with perjury.
Okay, I'm
Whose
sitting
seat is
down.
this?
Send me the link.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. The
Smoke
fifth one is
suppressor.
decided he no longer wants to be a part of jury duty.
Yep.
Oh, he's being back. Okay, cool. See ya.
my back.
Okay. Okay, all the attorneys take your place. Let's get the ball rolling on this.
You cannot. Why are there
I mean, get the ball
That means you
rolling.
Why do we
Okay.
have
out of here.
Can
three
these
uniformed
be
officers
juries,
on
by the
duty?
way? Because
on jury duty?
they're involved.
I know what you're going to object to, and I'm
No,
trying
but
to
why
fix
are you
it.
in uniform?
I don't think so.
Get in your proper dress attire.
They were
Not sure.
involved,
Dress
though.
attire.
They were
You are
involved.
in
I'm
trouble.
telling you, they are
Yeah,
not for
they actually
players.
can't. Yeah.
We just
Some-
can. Just for this,
Hey,
I know
lady,
you
I
guys
have a-
love your uniforms.
I have
and they look
information
great.
for you.
Shut the fuck up. No one. I'm fixing it.
Anyways,
I'm in
These juries can be juries
Okay, you're
because
fine.
they
I'm
are the
not
cops
convincing
who
you
were
anyhow, but
involved
the
in the incident.
legitimately uniformed
no,
LSPD
no,
officers
no,
at least
they
get
aren't.
something casual.
You know
I mean,
what?
Shit.
remove
This is
them.
You guys have been issued.
That's
Yeah.
not the judge.
Just put your clothes in the car and go to the thrift shop down the street and buy a $50 suit.
Hey, go to
It's not
Goodwill
hard.
or something, or rent it.
Poor? Do they really pay you that bad that you can't
Excuse
buy
me.
a fucking
We don't get paid.
No, they
don't
pay
get paid.
them. They pay them that badly.
how
I'm not
old is
talking to
this
you.
guy?
I'm talking
Holy
to
I
shit.
have. I own a Mustang with
I,
fitted
yeah,
No
then
one
good for
asked
you.
yeah,
you
You own
what
it.
LAS
you own.
system. So
Actually,
Nobody
I do
cares
have a
what you
cookie.
own.
have
You
one?
could own a fucking rocket
20
ship, and I would not give a
You got
crap.
a cookie?
it's
Jack
a
was
2019
was on
Ford
your side,
Mustang
wasn't he?
I would
GT
not. I do
Yeah,
not. give
with
a fuck.
ELS system. It's dual turbocharged at the front.
Over here because he was
He's
sitting on my
fucking-
desk.
No, but they shouldn't be
773
jury because
horsepower,
they are
baby.
involved.
And boy,
Yeah.
does she sound
What do you think?
when she
Yes.
revs.
Judge,
Yeah.
I have a weapon.
I would like the fine
Judge?
jury
Um,
because those people could be biased
If you want to
with the
try to
situation.
get volunteers of the people in this state, good fucking luck. Because at this point, if you can get regular volunteers, more power to you. But at the moment, we're working with what we got. Because unfortunately, everybody's too busy driving their fucking Hellcats around shooting
Is my voice box
rather
working?
than, it is.
Okay,
Randy,
thank
welcome to
you.
the party.
That's what I needed.
Thank you.
No power after. Yeah, you.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
Yeah, go snitch, bitch.
I mean, I honestly don't really care if he's in uniform at the moment. I'd prefer if he was in a little bit.
Why does this guy have a hockey puck on his head? Why does this guy have a hockey puck on his head?
Come back. You cannot be here.
Was he born in Chernobyl?
Yeah, no, you can leave.
I'm a bailiff now. You cannot be sitting.
Okay. Well, you're not gonna talk to the supervisor like that, so I.
Yeah, I'm not talking to the super. Oh.
Yeah, you actually are talking to lieutenant. So
But then if they are same people, we should actually go ahead and ask them to stand nearby this cop, though. Shouldn't we?
Yeah, exactly. No,
I don't think they are here on purpose. Hey, can you do one thing? Is actually tell them that we got sick or something. Postpone this because I think it's on purpose. They're doing it on purpose. See, look, every single cop is here from them.
I think it says shiver.
Tell them you're sick. You're sick. You can't attend.
I'm a convicted felon.
It's convicted felon.
Alright, yeah.
Please face away from me then.
Yo, stop him! Stop him! Stop him!
Make it dismiss. Dismiss the case.
I think he hit his head.
Stop, dude.
Sorry.
Let it go on different day, different time, different date.
Can I not knock you out?
Jesus Christ, how long is it gonna take?
Wait, where's my trooper at? I'm missing an officer.
Oh my god, it doesn't matter. I'm about to quit
Stop
my
fighting.
job here in a second.
Stop fighting.
God, I'm gonna quit my job.
Do it. I dare you. You won't. No balls.
Yeah, and then you're gonna fucking lose the case. I'm just gonna type on my laptop here.
Where did Honda go?
Sit on my
Honda is
lap
fine.
if you want.
What about this Honda? I think both Hondas are fine. What do you think?
Judge Tony is a certified bitch.
Hood
All right,
classic.
we're good. All right, we're good.
He is a certified hood classic.
That's not funny.
I know, I'm very funny.
I'm not feeling well. I feel sick. I feel sick. Oh.
Why are you two sitting on each other's lap? What the fuck?
Are we done? We good?
They're in love with each other.
Who has that raspy
Connor, you gotta
voice?
go on yelling.
Yeah, I got it. Jack, we good? Everybody good?
Hey, are you from
Yeah,
Trailer
that's
Park Boys?
good.
What? What?
You from Trailer Park Boys?
Shut up.
Prosecution, you guys good? No.
You sure?
Can someone get this crackhead behind me out of here? He won't stop grunting at me.
Sorry, what's going on?
I think the guy behind us is on meth. I'm pretty sure he's on meth. I saw a couple
Okay, well
pipes.
that's not your choice to make. Is he
Ready to go,
interrupting
or
this
what?
court
No-
case?
no
'Cause if
one-
he
Yeah,
is,
he has
then-
pipes and he's just
Get him.
meth.
Is the prosecution, you guys have everything you need for this trial to start?
When we're ready to get this thing going.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah, for sure,
whenever
totally.
ready,
Are you guys ready?
Whenever you're ready.
Yes.
Yeah, well, they're still talking and fucking standing.
Ready.
So I mean,
Ready.
Are we ready? All right, let's call the order.
So, all due respect, Your Honor, I'd tell him to shut up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This honorable court is now in session. Honorable Enzo Romano residing. No cell phones to be shown. Order shall be established. Any impact on the proceedings of this court will be responded to accordingly.
you may all be seated. Let's continue with where we were left off with. If I remember correctly, the defense was continuing there. Mr. Jack, if you want to come up and continue with what you were saying.
Sir, I think he entered in a different dimension.
Oh no.
Is the defense going to come up and continue speaking and continue, or what's the deal here?
Yeah, yeah. Do you want to wait for Mr. Jack to come back, or?
We'll work with you. He'll be back soon enough.
Okay.
So let's continue off of where we were.
Where was that, sir? Where was that, Your Honor?
I believe we were speaking in terms of I mean, you're the attorneys. You should know it was
We were
tasers.
speaking about if the evidence should be the evidence of the car being.
That's right. That's right. Thank you, bailiff. Thank you. That's why I pay you. So as I stated previously, the evidence in terms of the children being hit with a car was suppressed.
Mm.
So that motion's already been granted to the defense. So you can continue from there.
All right, so let's go back to tasers, right? So they said 5 tasers were deployed, although the 2 officers that they're prosecuting right now only deployed it once. There was 3 other officers on scene that had deployed it, so they cannot use those 3 other times that the kids have been tased against those officers. So therefore, if they want to go ahead and try to prosecute them with tasing them once each, go have at it, but they can't go for something they didn't do, which is sorry, my voice box, I think. They can't do that. And they tased the kids. They were saying the kids didn't have a weapon or anything. They weren't charging at them, but the taser is not used to stop someone with a weapon. The taser is used to stop someone from running from police. It cancels out the muscles. You won't be able to move, which is an easier way and more efficient way to stop people from running. That's all, Your Honor.
Yep. Prosecution. You may continue now.
You're saying that a taser is used to stop somebody from running.
Hey.
I don't think in this case that tasing not once, not twice, but 5 times a 12-year-old child to stop him from running, a child who probably doesn't even weigh more than 100 pounds, to stop them from running when they were on a bike with no restraints. They could have been picked right off the bike. Why was that not an option? Why did they feel the need to pick up, to move on to some type of force? I think that
Objection, Your Honor. Objection.
Sustained. You may continue defense.
All right, I would like to bring in this officer right here as a certified taser instructor against the prosecutors. Come on.
Bailiff, if you wouldn't, you may come to the stand, Officer Bailiff, if you wouldn't mind swearing him in. To the stand, officer.
Officer, to the seat up here.
This
The
stand.
seat with the water and bottles and the green lamp. Oh my God, up here.
Yeah.
There we go. That took long enough. Bailiff, would you mind swearing him in, please?
Yes. Hold on. I have to take care of this man with the phone. If you want to do it, go ahead. Sir, put the phone away or it's going to be confiscated.
Hello. What's going on?
Sir, put the phone away or it will be confiscated.
Can we get some bailiffs over here?
Okay, let's sit by the little kids. What's up, buddies?
You having technical difficulties there, Bailiff?
Hey, please get away. You cannot be right here. This is for the plaintiffs.
Denied.
You cannot be sitting over here. This is for plaintiffs.
Bailiff, you got to speak up.
Oh, sorry.
You got to speak up.
Sorry, yes.
All right, you solemnly swear to speak the truth, nothing but the truth.
Where do I sit? It's right here.
Hey, since when did bailiffs just escort people out of the courtroom, not based off judge's orders?
I understand. Defense, you may continue. Prosecution, as per normal, the witness will be open to cross-examination. Defense, you may approach.
All right, officer, preach.
All right, I'm a certified taser instructor. I've been certified as an instructor for
Speak up.
about 7 years. So the taser causes neuromuscular incapacitation. Pretty much renders your body immobile for a total of 5 seconds. The only way for the taser to be longer than 5 seconds is if you hold down on the trigger. But the taser is used for non-compliance. So in this case, when we teach in the academy, we tell officers and we instruct officers, and this comes from the company itself, as well as department policy, that anyone over the age of 8 years old, if causing harm to themselves or others, or putting themselves in dangerous situations, that they, under the use of force policy, can be tased.
Defense, do you have anything further?
Your Honor, they were also talking about how taser can cause death. What is the likelihood of that happening?
The likelihood of a taser causing death is slim to none, unless the subject has heart problems and the prongs hit directly on the heart.
Now, did the quote, did the criminals have heart? Do the criminals have heart problems? And did the criminals get tased in the heart?
They're calling us
Did they get
criminals.
tased in the heart?
Did you hear that?
I think we need to call Billy and be like, bro, get in here.
Tell us, did he shoot them in the heart or not?
Did you guys shoot the subjects in the heart with
We
taser?
only have 2 jurors.
Sheriff. Sheriff. The sheriff is not responding. Give it a minute.
Might I add, Your Honor?
May inquire continue.
Medical specialist, where do I sit?
You just be quiet during the hearing, okay?
Go ahead, Lieutenant.
All right. So the tasers that we
You're gonna
that
have
are
to
issued
be-
out
you're
to all
gonna
of
be
our
asked to
officers
leave,
are
okay?
X26s.
Yes.
The cartridges that we use are 25 feet cartridges, and so when we utilize the taser and the taser launches 25 feet, it gives a 7-foot spread. So therefore, the likelihood of them being tased in the heart is 0.
Okay.
He's open to cross-examination.
Okay. You stated that a taser is used for what reasons?
It's used as a compliance tool.
Okay. And do you believe that tasing a child who's barely a teenager 5 times is okay?
5 times? What kind of pervert?
Can you restate that statement, officer?
I said, do you believe
From
that?
no, not you. My ears stopped working when you said X26 or something.
Yeah, the taser that we equip all of our officers with is called the X26. And the cartridge used is a green cartridge, which gives us 25 feet. So we have a 25-foot gap between us and the target. So when we use the taser and we shoot it, it provides a 7-foot gap. So the likelihood of the children getting hit in the heart at all are 0.
Okay.
So you just stated that how far does it shoot? How far does the taser shoot?
25 feet, he said.
25 feet, okay.
The tasers that we issue shoot 25 feet.
Okay. In the evidence shown, our victims were not even 2 feet away from the taser. Why was the taser deployed then? Wouldn't it technically, if we're being technical, wouldn't the taser have more power if it's used at closer range?
No. So the taser shoots approximately 25,000 volts.
Okay.
Regardless of range, those volts are always going to stay the same.
Okay.
It does not matter.
This is, me asking you, or do you think it's okay to tase a 12-year-old child 5 times?
Hold on, restate
If a
that.
12-year-old's
Tase a 12-year-old.
being non-compliant, and the officers are using it as a compliance tool as they're trained, absolutely.
As a compliance tool to abuse the child?
As a compliance tool. Compliance is not abuse.
Technically, it is. You're tasing a child 5 times over stealing some piece of candy, or it seems kind of, over. It seems like you're using a bit too much power. Don't you think that the officers could have just picked up the child off the bike? Because in the evidence, it shows that the officers were all less than 5 feet away from the child and the bicycle. They could have very well been picked off right off the bike instead of been tased 5 times.
Was the bike moving?
No, it was not.
Can I see the taser logs that show that there's a log that every time you utilize a taser, it can tell me which taser was used
Hey, you
and
wanna
the
show the log?
distance.
Yeah, I definitely am.
So if you can present a log to me, I can give you a determination.
I currently don't have the log, though. I could get that for you. And
So you're telling
lack
me.
of proof here.
So, yeah, I mean, my apologies here, but you telling me, they were 5 feet away that gives me nothing because without this log that shows me the exact distance, I can't answer your question.
Actually, give me 1 second. I think we do have logs.
I hope she got these logs from the department because that's the only way she's getting them.
Exactly. Yeah, here it is. Image. I don't think we need an image. I think we need the hard evidence, right?
Here you go. This is the logs that were given, which is posted in.
That's the thing.
And
were
it
they
shows
from
the
the same
distance
person?
of 5 feet when the taser was deployed.
Fuck up, you fucking fat ass, forehead ass, pig ass bitch.
Did you post in a videos channel or pictures channel?
Yeah, it shows the distance of
I
5
sent
feet
it to them
when
in
the taser was
DMs,
deployed.
all the defense lawyers.
Yeah, it should.
Okay. So now, what exactly is your question?
Explain how I threatened you.
You said in training the taser, your officers are trained to use the taser when a suspect is being non-compliant. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think that a 12-year-old child has the upper hand on 3 grown, well-trained officers?
I don't think
I
you should be
believe-
using
I
the
believe-
term well-trained if you're prosecuting them for not being well-trained.
He said
You're
they were well-trained.
You're basically
No,
regarding
I'm sorry.
yourself.
You
You're
said
basically
they were
disregarding
trained.
yourself.
He made it very clear that they were trained. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes,
and now
they are
you're
trained
agreeing with
on
them saying
utilizing
that they're
the
well-trained.
taser.
We all know how to be civil here. Don't talk over each other.
He made it clear that they were,
Yes, Your Honor.
trained. So if they're trained, okay, you're saying 3 trained officers had to use a taser 5 times to apprehend a 12-year-old, not even teenage, less than 90-pound child?
I said that the officers were trained on utilizing the X26 taser that we issued them. I said nothing about
Which is what caused harm.
Did it cause harm?
Yes, it did actually.
And I'd like to see medical records of that.
It caused emotional distress.
Oh my god.
Emotional. Okay.
Emotional distress.
Yes, emotional distress.
We're talking about causing harm to the body, impairing them to do something that everyone else can do.
The X26, like I said
I would
previously,
like-
causes neuromuscular incapacitation. It does not cause any harm to the body.
Okay.
It incapacitates the subject for approximately 5 seconds, which is the duration of time that the taser is utilized.
Okay,
Your Honor, I think that's
Judge,
good.
Your Honor, is it okay if I call up my specialist?
Is the specialist here?
Yes.
Unless the defense has any further questions for their witness,
What
they can
is
step
the
down.
specialist on? What is he special?
This
What
is
does
my-
he or
this
she
is a doctor.
specialize in? A doctor.
A doctor.
A doctor. Yeah.
Yes.
I'll allow it. Unless the defense has any more questions for their witness, you can step down, Lieutenant, and we can get the doctor in here and continue this as
Come on, Lieutenant. You did a good job.
Thank you
Say it
for
again,
your
sorry.
statements.
I would
You
like
did good. Any further statements? Anything that I'm wrong with? Anything?
Well, no, I'm fairly certain I was talking to you, defense. Unless you have anything else, the lieutenant can step down, and we'll call the doctor to the stand.
Can you explain how it could possibly cause emotional damage? I guess is that what you said? Emotional damage. Emotional damage. Is that what?
Excuse me.
Is
So
that what you're
if I'm being
causing?
honest-
Mental damage. Is that what you're talking about? The damage that happened to the child was emotional.
Yes, it would be emotional damage.
Okay. Do you want to explain that?
Yes, sure. I mean,
Not
your
you.
case-
Do a lieutenant.
Do I step up or
Defense, I ask you to remain respectful. I understand it's a tense
Okay.
situation. Please remain respectful.
So
wanna
in
explain?
my years of expertise, I've never had a victim experience, you said emotional trauma?
Yes, I
while
did.
utilizing a taser? Like I said,
I do
causes
have a question.
neuromuscular
How many of
incapacitation.
those patients are victims, or whatever you'd like to call them, are 12-year-old children?
criminals?
I had 0 that were
Okay.
12 years old. I had 1 that was 10. He's currently sitting in a juvenile detention center.
Was he criminal?
Yes.
Oh, considering he's a juvenile, yeah. Yep. And I also want to ask one thing. So let's say two childs or kids now decide.
That
Oh,
grammar's not giving.
excuse me. What?
I said that grammar's not giving.
The grammar is not what?
Just
I can't
keep
use
going.
kid. The term kid. Okay, so let's say two kids see a cop car on the side of the road, right? And they decide, oh, maybe it's a good idea. We should go rummage through it. And they decide to go to the trunk, see a couple spike strips, and then they decide to break into the car and take that car
Objection.
for a little joyride as Grand Theft Auto denied.
Overruled.
Okay. And they decided to take that car for a joyride, which is Grand Theft Auto. They already have theft too because they stole spike strips and other equipment from the back of the car. And then police catch up to them. They catch them, and then they hop on a bike and start running away, obeying or disobeying multiple lawful orders. Do you think it is okay to tase them after running multiple times for numerous minutes?
In that instance, yes. Per our use of force
Thank you.
policy, using a less than lethal is absolutely authorized.
Well,
firstly,
no further,
my client, I'd like to say something. My client is 12 years old. They do not drive. Okay? 12 years old.
When I was 12, I knew how to drive.
Well, that sounds like a personal problem. But, anyways, at 12 years old,
What do you mean, my 12-year-old?
Hey, I just want to say.
Yeah, they can't drive. Hence why Grand Theft Auto and driving underage.
They were
That's
not
another
driving.
thing.
I'd be lying on my clients. They were not lying. They were on a bike pedaling. Pedaling.
Thank you.
Hold on.
Hang on. I'm gonna mention something real quick. We're not gonna take stuff from OOC chat and say it in the courtroom. Consult with your clients if you're gonna do it. Make it legit. Make it role play, not from OOC. All right. I'm gonna turn my headset off.
Thanks, Smoke. Anyways, so let's continue with what we were saying. Do we have any further comments, further questions for the lieutenant, or shall we call the doctor to the stand?
And I do have no evidence against them driving the car except for the officer's word.
Well, according to the case notes, from what I understood, they were on bicycles. That's the way I've understood
Your Honor,
it,
there
Mr.
is
Randy.
no
That is
proof
what I meant. That's what I meant.
Oh my
Well,
God!
I can't sit
He's
here and
not doing it right.
accuse Mr. Randy of lying. Obviously, if he meant to say ride and drive, he's still talking about the bikes. So
Considered a vehicle.
A bicycle's considered a vehicle? Okay.
It is.
No, I said is bicycle considered a vehicle or way of transportation?
It is.
A quicker way than on foot. Okay.
all right,
That's all I need.
Lieutenant. Thank you for all your help. You may step down.
Thank you.
Thank
The
you.
doctor may be called to the stand.
But that's what she should know, though. That's the information she should
Doctor,
know.
come on up.
That's great.
If you
Hey,
wouldn't
you
mind
can
swearing
go
in
up here.
whenever he
You can
shows
go up
up.
here.
Doctor.
You can come up here if you want. Under the desk.
Here I'm introducing.
Do you agree with that? Like, she should know that because we told her. But yeah, there's no evidence, though. There's no evidence about it. That's true.
You cut me off. You cut me off, Your Honor.
And that's why I have GoPro all the time.
Oh, my bad. Yeah, retired paramedic and current doctor. Okay. Dealing with. Excuse me.
Hey, get up here so we can.
I said we'll open that up in just a second. Can we just swear him in real quick? I want to get that covered, and then you can, as they're doing that, you can continue. He's what?
He is a retired paramedic, current doctor, working in the pediatric department.
All right.
Specializing in kids' hearts. Thank you.
If any of the lovely bailiffs would care to go ahead and swear in the doctor. I love these bailiffs. They're my absolute favorite.
Actually, I have one question. She said he's specializing in kids' hearts. You said he's a pediatric? On pediatrics overall. Yeah, yeah.
Let's hold the
What are you
questions
talking
for a minute.
about?
Let's hold the questions. Hold on, Let's hold the questions for a moment. Hold on. Let's let the doctor get sworn, and then you can ask him about his background, whatever else, Mr. Randy. If any of the bailiffs would like to do their job and swear in.
You got him over there. You want me to
Do
get
you
him?
solemnly, sincerely, and truly declare and affirm that you will tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
The witness has been sworn in.
Perfect. Okay. The witness is open. The prosecution, you may begin.
All right. Would you mind telling us your background?
See, I used to be a doctor and over in Russia. It's not much. I was helping him, the other doctors around there. I wasn't much of a pediatric, but I worked with kids here and there. What? And then when I came over to America, I became a paramedic. I worked in the paramedic field for about 7 years, and I'm not a full current doctor anymore.
Are you medically trained?
Is this guy trying to make us lose the case? Yeah.
Okay, you are certified. You're a certified doctor.
Wait, come back here.
You're like medically certified by the board.
What is he doing on the stand?
Over in Russia,
Certified pediatrician. He just worked around.
I'm certified, but I am not
Obstruction of justice. Objection, Your Honor.
certified
Objection.
over here in
Objection.
the United
This is obstruction of
States.
justice.
But I am a
Obstruction of
certified
justice.
paramedic.
Sustained. Yes, defense.
Yeah, she just said that he's a certified heart specialist, which isn't even a thing. There's such thing as a pediatric
Excuse me,
cardiologist
sir?
with specialized.
Guys.
Please let me finish. Please let me finish. There's such thing as a pediatric cardiologist, which including heart. Yeah, pediatric heart specialist, not even a real doctor, which that would be obstruction of justice, since she said he is.
Excuse me. Well,
Hold on.
Witness, please.
On top of that, as to what I've understood, he's not even a medically certified doctor by the board in the United States. He's a doctor in Russia. Is that correct? Is that I understood that correctly?
And the truth will set you free.
Have we verified the witness's
I'm
credibility?
sorry. You did not need to tell that to my client. You just basically compromised him.
How did I compromise him by telling the truth?
Hold on a minute. You're the one that said he was medically certified. He's medically
He
certified
is medically
in
certified.
Russia.
I never said he was medically. I never said he was medically certified in the U.S.
Well, that you probably should have mentioned that. That sort of determines his credibility.
You never asked. You never asked.
Well, that determines his credibility.
Do you mind if I say something?
He is still
say
medically
something in a
certified.
In Russia, where there are different qualifications. Bailiff.
And he is still a paramedic. He's still a paramedic.
Yeah.
Which means he's medically qualified.
Was he a paramedic in the United States or in Russia?
Yes, he made that very clear in the United States.
Okay, well, we can't exactly take his credibility as a doctor. We can take his credibility as a paramedic, but him being a doctor in Russia is two totally different things.
Okay, then please take his credibility as a paramedic.
Okay, well, I'll allow it if you would like to go ahead and begin questioning him in terms of him being, but I will not allow him to speak in terms of anything that would require a doctorate, because he's not a doctor. He's a doctor in Russia.
Okay. I would like to ask, sir, how many, as a paramedic within the U.S., how many taser calls have you responded to? Approximately.
Not that many.
And how many of those cases were 12-year-old children?
What did you say you wanted?
None. I haven't.
Call for a mistrial.
Okay.
I'm
Allow
sorry,
your
you are
attorney
not
to
able
speak
to
for you.
object
Return
as
back
you are
to your
not
stand.
counsel.
How many of those cases were 12-year-old children being tased 5 times?
Got this. This is in the bag.
Yeah, I've had males be tased 5 times plus, but I've never had any children tased.
And what kind of taser was this with? The same one U.S. is using, or the one in Russia?
Wait your turn. Wait your turn.
Like I've said, I've been a paramedic in the United States for 7 years.
He's never stated. Oh.
Are you?
There you go.
I mean,
Fucking 7
so how many
times.
of those cases were 12-year-old children?
I had none that were 12-year-olds.
Okay. Have you had any calls of 12-year-old children being tased 5 or plus times?
No, like I've said, I had no children being tased ever before.
Okay. I would like to direct this, what my witness over here just said to the jury. He just stated that he has never had a call of 12-year-old children being tased 5 times. Okay, can we all agree that being tased 5 times is excessive force? They are 12-year-old children who weigh less than 90 pounds. They could have been picked off the bike. The officers were less than 5 feet away from the officers. I think that this is ratchet. I think that we need to consider the fact that they were tased 5 times over stealing, spike strips, a weapon that is used to stop highly dangerous criminals. And do we consider 12-year-old children highly dangerous criminals? Do we consider them as? Excuse me, I never asked for your opinion.
Overruled. Allow the prosecution to finish.
Do we consider 12-year-old children as, bandits? Do we consider them as some type of major high-risk criminals who are a danger to society? Well, how about the officers who are here to supposedly protect and serve us? They tased our kids, the future of this world, 5 times. They could have died. Could have been injured.
Could not have died.
Could have had
Please do not
multiple
interrupt her, or you will be charged with contempt.
could have had
As the judge
multiple
said earlier.
heart issues, heart failures. I think that we need to reiterate to the fact that these officers swore an oath to protect and serve us. Wouldn't that mean using their common sense? And if their common sense is to tase 12-year-old children, should they be allowed to still be an officer? That's all I have to say for right now.
Doctor, keep your hand down. You'll have your opportunity. Does the prosecution have anything else?
Now they need cross-examined.
Hold on, defense. Doctor, since you're so eager to say something, if you'd like to address what you'd like to say, go ahead.
I do have one of my friends. He is a neurosurgeon. He has just walked in. He is the male over there in the white coat.
Oh my god, man, they're pulling up all the options.
Is this witness on record?
Prosecution? Why do they need that?
That's for the fucking.
He is not, though. I do believe you should allow this because it will definitely give us more clarification within the case.
I mean, I can't allow you to just bring in witnesses willy-nilly. They should at least be on record. If the defense would like to come up here.
Yeah, could we get a mistrial?
On what grounds?
Officer, you want to help me explain this one, dude?
Nope, I got it. First of all,
Okay.
You're bringing in a doctor from Russia on Russian medical training, not the U.S. training. That's strike one.
You had
your time to talk. It's my turn.
I do not. Excuse me. You do not get to cut me off.
You're done. You're done.
Okay, stop arguing, or you will.
Second,
Stop. Let's act like adults here.
she's brought in 2 witnesses not on the evidence docket. That's strike
Actually,
2.
one of them is on the evidence docket.
Let him continue talking. Let him continue talking.
Let him finish his statement. Then
Third of all, she's presenting evidence that was given to us before the trial even started. So I declare mistrial on those 2 grounds. Court adjourned.
Okay, well, you can't. Where are you going, deputy? Oh, I thought he was walking out. I apologize.
I would like to also add something.
Okay, hold on. I'm not going to let you add anything because at this point, the defense is in the right, You can't just bring in a neurosurgeon, whether it will allow clarification or not. He wasn't on.
And
He
also,
wasn't
that's
on
the
record.
brain, not the body.
Your Honor, I don't.
Deputy.
I'm not sure if you're aware, but electricity can affect the brain. Thank
I
you.
don't believe the defense said that they were bringing them in as a witness.
I never
believe
did say that
just
either.
walked
He
into the
asked if he could.
So.
Well, and I'm
No,
telling
we were
you
talking
that.
about tasers before that.
Okay,
Before, and we
well,
were saying that
I'm
we're gonna have
making the
someone
ruling. I'm
specialized in
telling
it.
you that he's
Do we
not
have a
going to
30-minute
come up.
recess?
Can I, if we could just all remain civil for a minute instead of interrupting me, I'd appreciate it.
Yes, Your Honor.
I will allow the neurosurgeon to testify, as he's not on the docket. He's just shown up willy-nilly, whether it allow clarification or not. What I'm going to do is give us a 5-minute recess for everyone to collect their things, to prepare themselves a little bit better, and we'll come back for this in 5 minutes. You know what? We'll make it as insured as possible. I'll give a 10-minute recess. Prepare yourselves. We'll organize, and I'm going to give one final warning for us to stop arguing with each other. If you guys continue to speak out of turn, prosecution or defense, I will hold you in contempt of court. I'm trying not to get this over with and proceed with this trial as swimmingly as possible, but it's very hard to do that right now.
And take that as your last warning, as you said.
So 10-minute recess. Gather your things and prepare a little bit better.
All right, let's go, team. On me.
If you have a problem with me, I'll take this.
Come on, bro.
So we can collect our stuff.
All right, let's go.
Really quick. We need to make a
Just
plan.
come over here. We need to
Sheriff,
speak.
Sheriff, get in here.
We should go out.
Yeah, let's go
Let's
outside.
go.
Ma'am.
I don't trust him. These
Excuse me,
cops
ma'am.
are with cops.
Yes, can I help you?
My name is Derek Shepard. I'm a neurosurgeon with the Grace Sloan Memorial Hospital.
Okay.
My friend, I forget his name. The Russian dude said that you might need help.
Horrible.
Yes. Let's speak outside.
Okay. I like your
Hi,
hat.
I'm back.
All right. So I don't really know where we stand with this whole
All right.
situation.
And let's
We're
go
doing
move
best
down
we
some
can.
so there's nobody to bother us.
Ivan, you're stupid.
I'm sorry.
You heard me, bro.
Oh no.
Kid, come over here.
Make sure they don't hear us, you know.
Okay. So, how did everything go?
Absolutely terrible. This should be open and shut, but for some reason they have no problem with excessive force of use on children. So okay, look, I really don't care that they know that we robbed the cop car. I don't care that we ran. We can admit to that, but it's excessive use of force that we're going here. I was already tased on the ground. I was not a threat to anybody, and they still tased me an extra 4 times at least. There was 7 tases posted there, and my brother here it was after I was already on the ground that they pitted him off of his car. So actually both of us should honestly be dead, but we weren't really, thinking about it. So
Okay, I don't think we're allowed to add anybody else on.
I believe you can.
You definitely can. You just have to get my credentials, get everything like that, share it with the defense, I think, defense or prosecution, and then yeah.
Alrighty, so the problem that you guys have here with being tased, tasers, what one were they using, the X26?
Yeah, which is around.
Which is going to be 0.0021 amps. That produces that for 5 seconds each. And they said, how many times were they tased?
At least 5. At least 5 times I was tased.
That is not enough to kill you or harm you. It may cause. There's a slightest chance that it caused nerve damage, depending on where you are hit. But the max amount of amps it can kill you is 1.0 to 4.3 amps.
I mean, that's like a total of 30 seconds or something. Like each time they tase you is what, 3 or 5 seconds, and that's 5 times.
It's 5 seconds.
So it is going to be death would be possible at 1.0 to 4.3 amps pumping action of the heart ceases.
Can I chime in here? How are you guys not having seizures? Exactly. Like
That's what I'm
seizures,
saying.
long-term brain damage.
I should basically be brain dead,
I think
and my brother should be
Not
like in
brain
a
dead,
coma.
but you should definitely have like brain damage.
I think we should
and whatnot.
we should ask for an extension on the recess so they can be examined by this doctor.
Yeah, we need to go to the hospital and go through and
Yeah, that's
get
definitely
the
not
actual
okay. Like, for God's sakes,
neurological.
Sorry, sir.
Go ahead.
Major chat lady. You can finish.
No, I was saying we need to try and have an extended recess so we can get the evidence and try and get the neurological proof and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Try and get their. Go ahead. My bad.
Yeah, sorry. As I exclaimed in the court, you know, a taser is a less than lethal weapon, essentially. It's not a non-lethal weapon. There are cases where in the United States and, you know, the United Kingdom and all over the world where tasers have been used as lethal weapons and have killed people, unfortunately. And, you know, that's a good example for, like, you know, older people are more prone to death, and so are younger kids. For Christ's sake, this is a 12-year-old girl that we are talking about. At approximately 30 to 40 miles per hour.
No broken bones, no broken back, nothing like that.
And we haven't been looked at it by a doctor yet, to be honest, because we just like went into because we just got jailed essentially. That's what happened. They just jailed us.
Okay.
Okay, so I think for us to be able to win this, our best bet is to like get emotional with them, because I mean they're children. I mean the jury's probably gonna, you know.
The jury tends to sympathize over like different age groups, especially children. Yeah.
About that, you guys have to think about those juries are same people, by the way. So I don't think you're gonna get emotional.
Okay. Yeah.
I mean,
we may have to do something like.
just ask
It
them.
would
We
be a
don't
lot
want
better
any
if we could
juries.
get extended time, bring them down
Yeah.
to pillbox, get a neurological scan, a scan
yeah,
of their
what we
heart,
can do is,
all of that stuff, so we can get a picture of their heart, see how it's functioning, all of that stuff.
Oh,
Yeah,
that
hook
is
them
good
up
one.
to an EKG just to check their stats, especially.
I will go speak with the judge and figure all this out. I'll be right back.
You can ask a judge to give some time and say that we don't feel good and stuff, you know. Yeah.
Okay.
It's fucking shit out here.
Hey, come this way. Hey. You got anything on you, boss? Go ahead, walk through.
Okay, hold on.
Winning the court trial.
The video?
So the videos, the taser dogs was not presented to none of us.
Well, that's that you have to see that with your.
So I feel like we're blindsided of all this evidence that's pulling up.
I believe those were on the docket as.
Bailiff, whose side are you on? Are you even a legal person?
One sec, I'm out of character right now.
Well, then go
I'm
ahead
out
and
of
see somewhere else.
character.
Bye.
Hold on.
The bailiff is on the side of the court, sir.
Johnson, one sec, I'm out of character right now. But we were discussing and you were there though, Johnson. You were there whole time. Do you not remember that? Tony, wasn't he there?
I don't know. I wasn't there. Yeah, I was, but I was probably out of my head. I don't know
Whoa,
if we discussed it.
hold on. Are we just accusing my defendant here? What are we doing?
No, we are not accusing. No. I told you to come there. You were there and we were discussing this whole scenario. And we thought you were fine because you never said anything. You never said a word.
Oh boy.
Outside of courtroom, remember?
I was never there.
I didn't know you were okay, yo. You should have said that.
No, I was never there.
You were there in the video,
It
though.
looks like
you
they
were
have means to
standing.
suppress the evidence, and we'll have to look at body cam footage.
We need a judge. The judge corrupt as well.
Unfortunately, he doesn't have a body.
None of you were wearing a body cam?
No, other people
scene?
were, not him. Other people were, the
Oh,
state
yeah, I'm not
troopers
wearing
were.
Therefore,
That's all I'm
let's
talking
get
about.
back to this shit.
Please.
Okay, so let's get back to it.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes.
I would like to ask for an extended recess due to the fact that we
No,
would like to go.
no.
I'm sorry, I was
hold
not
on.
speaking.
Do
with
not
you.
interrupt her.
I was not speaking with you.
I'm
Dude,
sorry,
just-
could we have the room with the judge, please, and let's have like all law enforcement?
Yeah,
and
I would
all,
say prosecution and
opposing-
defense only
I
allowed.
mean, there has to be at least one bailiff in here.
Okay, well
Anyways,
then bailiff can maintain their
Yeah, this
presence,
one.
but I would
Bailiff.
prefer
They
that
want
we
an
do not
extended
get
recess for
erupted
what?
again.
Yeah,
What
who is this
exactly
guy?
do you guys want an extended recess for?
Okay, so
due to the fact that we believe that
Or can you
one of our
I'm
current
just
victims
with her.
is not
Be right back real
healthy
quick.
to be here.
yes, and the doctor behind us has encouraged us to ask you for this and has advised that he would like to do an extensive medical check on the two victims just to make sure that they are not in any danger because they have yet to be checked out by any medical professional after the scene had initially occurred.
Your Honor.
They were not checked out by the infirmary at the juvenile
were not.
detention center, in which they were.
They were not checked out by anyone. The juvenile detention center, any local EMTs, nobody had checked them out. They were instantly transported to the jail, where they had no time to be checked out.
Bailiff, can you bring the defense in here, please?
The most that was done, sir,
my name.
was the most that was done was the prongs were taken out of the 12-year-old, but they were not checked out properly, nor
Jack,
were they assessed.
According to your, is this Mr. Dean?
Is this who you wanted in
Yes,
here?
this is Mr. Dean.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Dean. Nice to meet you. Deputy, I didn't ask for you in here. Just the attorneys.
Oh, okay. Sorry, Deputy. You gotta go back inside.
He came and got me. Is what you need.
There's some water.
No,
out there if you want to.
just the bailiff made a mistake. Just the attorneys. Sorry. Thank you.
He needs to be fired then.
I didn't even
Okay.
ask for you.
And
Hey,
you need to
shut
be
your mouth.
arrested.
All right.
The prosecution are requesting an extended recess because they want the two children to be checked out medically, because apparently when they were tased
Honor.
and apprehended, they were not
Honor.
treated medically. So how much truth is
Objection.
there
What
to
is
that
going to be the
statement?
relevance towards them being checked now versus when they were on scene? It's
Like
too
I
long.
said-
It's too long a
Hold-
gap of
Like
time,
I said,
so
one
they
of
could have
my-
sustained new
Hold on, do not
injuries
cut
from
him
the
off.
time that they were on scene to here.
The defense has a point. What I'm just trying to figure out, I have one simple question, and it's not in regards to this. I'm just asking you, Jack, did the deputy that was involved with this, we're just trying the one deputy, did he make any attempt? Was any attempt made to give the medical treatment on scene? Because what speaking to the prosecution now, what you guys have to understand is the defense is correct. Between the time that they were in juvenile detention to now, any evidence of injuries or whatever can't be admissible in court because, as the defense said, they could have sustained new injuries. However,
Like I
if it's
said-
medically necessary for them to be checked out, I understand. But if
Like I
there's
had
any legal
stated, one of
references,
my victims stated that they were not feeling well. And this officer, this very well-trained neurosurgeon advised that we check him out for medical.
Oh, this is the neurosurgeon?
Okay.
If I may present some-
We're going to object to them being
Your Honor,
rechecked
may
for
I-
medical for this case.
Your Honor, may I speak?
Hold on, Your
You
Honor.
may speak.
I would like to say one thing before the medical doctor says, and I would like to do that directly at the attorney. The honorable directly to my right has already stated that he agrees with you. However, just because this may not be admissible in the court does not mean that they cannot be checked out. They have not been checked out yet, so for their safety, the
I'm going to
neurosurgeon
object
behind
again
us.
to that because we actually have documentation that says they were checked out on scene by a fire chief and the paramedics on scene.
Not the only thing, John.
well, if they're currently suffering, are they currently? They currently say that they're suffering a medical emergency that they need to leave.
This was when I was 9 years old.
Are they just being checked out to be checked out? Do they have to leave?
Can I talk? The girl was checked out by EMS. I think she was treated, not checked. I mean, she was treated, but the boy was not
I'm going to
treated or
object to
checked.
having one of the
you can't-
individuals who were
Is
on
that-
the
'cause
scene
that's-
to being inside of the judges' chambers.
Weren't you on the scene
This
too?
was
Just
specifically
saying.
I'm going to
all
object
of
to
those
them
just-
being here. I think
just-
we need to assist,
Liv,
not
just
talk about
do-
anything that's
there
going
you
on
go.
while.
Oh, they left. They're gone.
Okay. Let me go back to what I was saying. Are they currently suffering a medical emergency that requires them to leave the courtroom?
A quote from George Floyd today.
Or do you want to send just clarify this for me? Do they need to leave now because of a medical emergency? Who the fuck is this?
Oh, shit.
Man.
Get back out here.
I'm sorry, but this courtroom has some issues.
Yes. So
Your
you're
Honor,
in
my
the sense
my client
of
has not signed any waiver of any time contingency. So if they're going to try and ask for a continuance, we object to the continuance on the grounds that it's not right to a speedy trial if they continue to extend time. It
So is
violates
it-
my client's rights.
Your Honor, may I please speak?
Go ahead.
So just because I don't know when this happened all took place, but as a neurosurgeon and being tased more than 1, 2, 3 times, you're still gonna have a history of that event. Neurologically in their brain and or in their heart or both. So if these kids are suffering, doesn't mean, they could be suffering just beyond what we see. They might be suffering, outside of their body,
I
So-
understand, but as the defense said, and I am in agreement with them, from what I understood, this was a few days ago, right? About a week at this point. This
Your friend,
occurred.
who was
From the
Winchester
time
again?
That they were arrested, sent to juvenile detention, arraigned, and they've gone through this process till now, this very moment now, they could have sustained different injuries. If they have some medical emergency right now that requires them to go to the hospital, if I have to release them, I will, and we'll have to continue the trial without them. But just to take them to the hospital to examine them for further evidence to be used in this courtroom, I will not allow it. That's the bottom line.
And this
that is understandable, Your Honor. Would you advise that you take them to the hospital and check them out for any lasting injuries?
I'm sorry, say that again.
Would you advise that you yourself, accompanied by me, I will also accompany you?
I'm going to object to that again because it's not going to
That's-
lead to the relevance to this case.
So he's asking if they could be should be
Okay,
taken out.
I'm not
If
talking
they're having a
about the
medical
case.
emergency, that they can
So-
go to the hospital, but
That's
we're
what
not
he's
going to
telling
let
you.
So
That's
I
what
am
he's
not
asking.
spe-
come into
once
court.
again, sir, I am not speaking
As
about
my lawyer,
the case.
as my fellow lawyer here has said, if it's not relevant, you are wasting my client's time, and you are
And
impeding his right to
likely-
a speedy trial. So
Ah,
therefore,
it
that can
is
be discussed
very
another
much
time.
relevant.
I'm sorry.
So
Are we going to talk
if
about
you
the
would
fact
like-
that your client has a temper?
If you would like to, to take
Okay,
the
so
children to the
Th-
hospital, go
this
for
is
it.
where I'm going to
But
cut you off.
we need to
okay?
get back to this case.
Here's what
Oh,
I'm
you're
going to
not
say.
gonna cut me off
right
'cause
here,
I'm
right
not
now.
done speaking.
Well, I could care
Okay,
less
enough,
at this
enough,
point in time.
enough,
You can
enough.
hold your objections.
You're bickering like children.
I have asked
Enough.
you, neurosurgeon, if you advised that the children get checked out now. Just
Yes,
because they
very
do
much
not
so.
wish for any of that to happen, Your Honor, that does not matter. The kids have the right to be checked out, and if the neurosurgeon has
Then
My
already
client
advised
also
us,
has a right to a
said,
speedy trial, and you're
and
trying
yes,
to
he
delay
does.
the
And you guys can continue the trial without the kids. That is what the honorable has said. So you
So
guys
are
can continue
are
the
you
trial.
motioning for your clients not to be present in court?
We will. Well, ma'am, would you
That's
like
the
to
only
follow me
option
up?
you
We
have.
can.
Your Honor, these are kids.
And this is
as
still,
kids,
and
Your
they're
Honor,
still.
are they
a
motioning
deputy.
for
Just
their
something
clients
that we're
not to
gonna
be in
have to-
court?
Look, you have a few options here, right? The kids can stay and continue with this trial. If they really need to go to the hospital, they can go to the hospital, but you'll motion for them not to be with the trial. And any evidence of any whatever that happened will not be admissible whenever you do check them out. The point I'm just trying to make is you have to make that decision. Are they going to leave or are they going to stay? Because whatever findings are found out at the hospital, it will not be admissible here in court.
Yeah, sure.
They will be staying.
They will be staying. Okay.
Decision has been made.
Now we can get back. That recess was like
Is there
30
anything
minutes.
else? It is what it is.
Well, once these kids die, we can blame it on them and sue them, right?
Hey, let's actually, I haven't, where are you? Are you there?
Kicking my
Yeah.
vehicle.
You're good.
Okay, you guys are getting back to it now. So
Ripley, are you there? Hello? Hey,
on the side of the law, working
where's
with the
the
district
lady?
attorney's office. I have the lady's inside, kid. You need to go inside, kiddo. The what's gonna
Uh,
be
I
resuming session.
have something to say to her before she goes in. No.
No,
Lady,
no.
come
We
with
we
me
gotta,
for a
dude.
sec. Lady, come
I'm
with
getting
me.
you out of there. If you got one more chance, take a seat or you're gonna get out of the courtroom.
No, I've already kicked this
You're
guy out
being
of the
drunk and you're
courthouse.
being disorderly in this courtroom.
I've already kicked this guy out. He's going in custody now.
Yes.
Lady, just think about it. Come over here.
Snowball.
Just think about it. We're gonna lose this case anyways. Let's take the case back. Let's everyone see this. The
Are they not
actual
allowing
kids
you
take the
guys
case back.
leave?
I think the best thing right now, if we have even a standing chance, is to go fully emotional out on everybody. We're just gonna stay. I'm gonna bring you guys up to the, to the stage, and you can tell them how you feel and how this all made you feel, and you can apologize for stealing, and that you can just be. You can
We can
apologize
just
for everything.
we already did apologize. Sure, we can apologize. We have no problem. I mean, the thing is, what they gonna
Excuse me.
do,
You're good to go.
they anyways gonna make this case lose. Let's take our case back and show it to everyone how bad these cops are.
See,
I
with the
think that is
thing
best way. What do you think?
I
with
think
them, they really need to be looked at by a doctor. Were they looked at by anybody?
No, they
The
worked
thing
on our
is,
lives.
I'll
Do
tell
they have
you,
past medical history?
on scene,
Oh wait, we have to go back.
EMS actually checked the girl, but not the guy. They never checked the boy.
I don't know when this court started.
Thank you.
No, you hit a boss.
Damn, bro, dude, this little kid's a stud.
I do sincere
You see how
apologize, sir.
fucking clean that dude walks? That little kid is a stud, man. Does he play football? Does he do wrestling?
He steals.
Oh, he steals, huh?
And apparently drinks? Question mark.
That's a professional sport, huh?
Hey, bro, don't touch
Maybe
me.
you're talking about your dad. Maybe watch out.
Oh,
I'm sorry. I would like to ask you to stop interacting with my client. Thank you.
Oh,
yeah.
If we can all maintain order and sit down,
Yeah, we
please,
can
while
hear you.
being
Yes.
seated. Let's continue.
You might want to help yourself.
Hey, you there?
Go get some aid.
So,
Sis, can I
preface
get your
one more
phone?
time, as I said previously. In layman's terms, no more funny business. We're going to conduct this appropriately and professionally. Even if the attorneys decide to act out, I will hold someone in contempt if I have to. So please, let's avoid that. Now, does the prosecution have any further evidence in regards to charging the deputy, or are we going back to the old evidence? I just want to clear that up because obviously, prior to the recess, that was kind of a mess.
Can I get a phone?
Get out my seat.
Who are you talking to?
Why don't you sit on the other side?
Silence means no.
Excuse me, if you're gonna argue within the court, you will be charged with
Do you have any
contempt, so.
further evidence that you would like
Sir,
to
he's threatening me.
in here?
Okay, so you need to find a new seat.
I would also like to reiterate the fact that
You need to be seated. You need to be seated in the courtroom.
medical professional on the scene
Okay.
of the
Okay, well, you
incident
need to be seated in the courtroom.
Hey, partner, are you there?
I don't want to be on
The
the
defense,
only
the defense would argue otherwise. They had
Seated in the courtroom,
documentation
or you will be removed, sir.
that did in fact
and the evidence
You
showing
cannot
the
sit there,
case
sir.
properly looked at by a medical professional on the scene was the 7-year-old boy who was hit by a vehicle, in which you said we would not be trialing in this courtroom. So technically, that whole case would not be presented here, meaning my client was not looked at by a medical professional.
It's still, I don't see the relevance considering we're trying to tie in excessive use of force. Whether the deputy doesn't, there's no personal liability whether medical professionals check them out or not. Correct me if I'm wrong, defense, you two have documentation that some medical professionals were on scene, or am I misunderstood here? Defense, Mr. Dean, Mr. Jack, either of you?
Your Honor, we're wanting to represent some evidence due to the fact that our client requested a new attorney. So I believe that we need to go back over some of the evidence that was already submitted, and then also cross-examine some of the witnesses that they had up on the stand.
Well, the only two allowed witnesses was the lieutenant from the Los Santos Police Department, which was a taser expert, and the paramedic. So, if you wish, I will allow it. We'll go back over the evidence, considering there were you two are new attorneys. We'll go back over it. I guess we'll start from the first piece of evidence, which was obviously the video that showed the entire incident unfold. If we can get somebody to go ahead and play the said video, we'll get this over with. Cough, cough, government person, whoever has.
Ripley, you there? Hello? Ripley?
I'm back. What's going on?
The thing is, case is totally changed. Now, people who actually tased us are lawyers and juries, and I don't know. It's kind of like they are appealing where they want to win.
No, just waiting on
stuff.
the video evidence
And they
to
don't
pop
want to
up.
appeal, but they
Unfortunately,
don't
only
want to
government
win,
officials
you know?
can do that, and they're currently unavailable. Apparently, I don't.
I mean, do people need something from me right now?
They are asking for video evidence. They want to watch the video again. They want to watch the
Which
whole
one?
thing again.
It
I'm
looks
going
like
to
that's
object
the.
and ask if it's authentic.
Yeah, see, that is the thing.
It is not saying it's authentic. Do you have a chain of custody provided with everything, and also do you also have the full unedited?
It is the same video that was presented.
Oh, they want to see it unedited?
Again,
All right, fine.
Do
You
the
have
chain of
give the
custody
link.
for that said
No,
video,
no, no. The
and can
thing
you
is,
prove that it is
look,
authentic?
listen.
Where's the video source?
I'm asking,
You have
call
that,
911.
Ms. Prosecutor?
You have a
give
heart
me 1
attack. Go ahead and do that. Let's do that.
Okay.
Actually, this is not going anywhere. They don't want to appeal something that they did, but they want to appeal something that they're not even involved in. Like, we are appealing here with Johnson, not with them, though.
Hey, ma'am, are you okay?
We'll be chill though. We'll be cool. Yeah. Okay, cool. Good to hear.
Anyways, so yeah, what do you want to do?
Ma'am.
Oh, hey,
Yes.
sis, what happened? Sis,
This
someone
evidence
help
over
my
here was
sister.
presented
Yeah,
by a
go ahead,
bystander.
so that
Someone
nobody
help my sister.
Oh my God.
continues to get in. Apologies for that. We're having a commotion outside of the
Help
courtroom.
my
Continue what you were saying.
sis.
I was
Help
saying
my
the
sis.
evidence is authentic. It was provided to us by a bystander on the scene.
It's not about
Your Honor,
your
one-
standards. It has to be
Please.
about general standards.
She's
I'm
faking
asking
it?
if it's authentic.
Come on,
Oh my
I'm asking
God, there's so
for
much
the
blood.
list
She's a
of
child.
evidence.
It's hardly doubt
From
that's
the
possible.
defense as well
I
as
think
Come on,
she's on
Timmy,
her
let's
period.
go.
prosecutors.
Yeah, I think she's
If the seizures 5 minutes or longer, you need to call EMS.
See, this is what happened.
Someone call EMS, please.
Yeah, she's bleeding over there. I think she's on
I
her
said
All right,
these
she's on her
officers bring
side.
me
Just
cameras.
wait.
I am definitely suing the
Or
cops.
not counsel, you will be
Mom.
removed from the courtroom.
Okay, can you stabilize the head real quick?
I got a timer running.
See, I knew this was gonna happen. If they had gotten checked out, none of this would have happened. This is all the judge's fault.
Let's go ahead.
Okay,
Let's
what's the
get
time at?
this is her brother out of here. Let's get him out of here.
I mean, had my motion to have a private
No,
trial.
I'm not leaving, sis.
Let's go, son.
No.
Let's go, son. She'll be fine.
Okay,
She'll be
okay,
fine.
okay. Seizing stopped. What's
Yeah, I
the
wish my
timer at?
motion would have stayed. You know, like it should have.
Come on, come on.
Let's go ahead and call EMS. Get them
She'll
out
be
of
fine.
here.
About She'll be 33 fine. seconds. Just trust me.
Yeah.
Judge, I
Call
would
EMS.
It's not your fault.
They're
It's not your
saying, they're
fault.
saying,
Come on,
Go
son.
ahead.
they're saying she's dead because the officers
Related with
tased
the
her,
court
man.
case,
They're
I am
not very
asking you to
smart.
leave the court,
Including
including you, father.
We've never stated that. I mean,
I'm trying to get my
that's what the
son.
medical says, right?
Okay, well,
You need to
Hey,
get him out of here.
Let me talk to you for a minute. Come here.
But
You
then
need
again,
to take
I do
him
think
to
that this
another
could have been
room.
avoided if we had been given
Come on, let's go, Timmy.
the opportunity and possibility to go ahead and get our client checked out.
My son.
Yo, they're gonna try.
Okay, I would go ahead and leave me, Dad.
Your
You
sister's
were never
gonna be
there
fine.
when we needed you. Just get out of here. You were never my dad before. You're not my dad.
No, wait. Son.
Just get away from me. Help. Hey, help me. Help me. Help me. This
Son,
person.
stop.
Hey,
Son,
get
stop.
away. I
Kid,
told you I
get
don't
on.
want to be with you. I
What's wrong?
don't.
Get on,
What's
buddy.
wrong?
Get on, buddy.
What's wrong? Hey, I'll take care of it.
He's
Hey,
taking
no,
me.
can you let him go, sir?
Hey, stop grabbing their kid
Yeah.
like that.
He's my son.
Listen,
I
it
don't
doesn't matter if
care.
he is your son. He has told you that he does not want to be around you, okay?
Step
Me
away
and
from the
my
kid
sis
now.
needed you. Where were you? You weren't there
I'm
with
sorry.
us. Leave.
Work. Work.
Be with you.
I have to
Mr.
work.
FIB agent, you got 3 cents. Step away from the kid. Or me and
Well,
my
I mean, I
boys
guess
here will
fine. We'll
take
do
you
this,
away.
and we'll get Judge
You
Johnson.
got that?
That's it
Come on.
next time.
Step
Come
back.
on.
I mean, Billy Johnson,
FIB agent, I'm telling you to walk away right now before your ass goes in cuffs. Okay?
because he'll go ham on this
Nah,
one.
his
Hey, kid, you
I'm
alright?
talking to my son.
Tell me to do it.
I don't
Okay,
care who
listen.
you're talking
Don't
to.
You
Get
may
away.
be
be with
talking to
you.
your son, but I am also the assistant district attorney that is actively presiding over the case. So I'm telling you, as of right now, you need to step back from your son, please. He has told you he doesn't want to be around you. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay,
Hey,
look,
we'll
we need to
protect this
get you
kid
back in the
defending
courtroom, okay?
Okay.
There you go.
Just for the record,
this
I
is a
need
shitty place to be standing.
you two to
Listen,
get off your quads and help me
we know, but
protect this
we're
kid
trying to do shit.
from his dad.
Sorry, officer. Okay, come with me. Okay, we're gonna take you back to the courtroom. You know where you were seated, right?
Thank you.
Okay. You
He
don't need to
left.
say thank you. That's what we're here for.
He left me and my
You stay right
sis
there.
when
Do
we
not
needed.
move.
Don't talk to me. Stupid bikers.
You're crying like a little
Just keep
baby.
walking. Don't look at him.
Say that again.
You crying like a little baby.
I said, leave me alone, you stupid bikers. That's what I said.
Stupid bikers. You want a nice
What was our
You got
father's
from
last
here,
name?
DA?
Yeah, I got it.
All right. Need anything else? Holler out.
Yep. Hey, just to let you know,
Girl.
bailiff, I do have my firearms on me. I
You
just need to
there?
watch this kid back to the courtroom. I will not be entering. If you would like to accompany me.
Do you have to walk him in?
Well, I mean, I'm the ADA presiding over the case, so I would prefer that I do, unless you want to take him from here.
I was gonna take him.
Kiddo's got something bad on him, guys.
All right, kid. So listen.
No, I don't.
Look at
Wait.
me.
Oh, wait.
Look at me, buddy. Look. So you're gonna go in and you're gonna sit where you were seated, okay? And the nice lady, if she notices you, then she'll probably ask you what's up, okay?
Okay.
Oh,
so you go in and you listen to them.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, kid.
I'll walk.
All right.
Thank you. He's
Oh shit!
Oh,
I already
the little
spoke
kid
to
just
sign
killed a guy.
language, which I do know.
No, I
Oh,
tripped.
God.
Understand me, so. That judge said charge him with contempt, so if you want to just.
I cleared her airways. She's cleared for the right now. Can somebody get them out of here?
You got the Explorer out here, right?
Her name is Rebecca. She is breathing.
Hey, yo, can you hear me? The fucking thing needs to stop going off.
She's stable enough right now. Let's get
We got
her out
kids
of
in
here
there.
and to the hospital.
Alright.
She is
Keep
not
in my
seizing.
car.
She
I'll get this
stopped
stretcher.
about 3 minutes ago.
Alright.
Let's go. My sis is going to hospital.
Alright. I'll put it on the couch and we'll lift her up.
I'm carrying her in my arms. Let's just get her on the stretcher.
Hello, test test. Hello.
Alright. 3. Alright.
Let's go, lady.
Fuck, what kind of shit? What happened?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Oh, my sister
Oh, you want
likes
her?
her. No, my sister likes her. I want her to come with us.
What's going on?
Can you bring
The
her to
attorney, do you
ambulance?
wish to? I think she might be out of her head. Do you want me to just drag her?
Yeah, sure.
You can't exactly just leave. Probably get taken to the hospital. I mean, unless
I
gotta
think
go.
I actually. Well, I can't.
Oh, there she
I
is.
can't take her out of the court because she. Your Honor, are we going to continue this trial without the
My
victims
sis is
present?
going to hospital. Are you coming?
Looks like it's the only option we have. The two
Okay.
kids just get taken to
Attorney,
the
you need
hospital.
to stay here.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, let me share that too.
All right.
That goes off
I'm
because
gonna
it has no other choice. But yeah.
motion for
You alright, Jed?
The
Yeah,
was
waiting
stayed
for the lady.
inside of the court the entire time this incident happened.
All right, you're good to go, Joe.
And also,
All right,
I'm also
appreciate you.
going to push for the prosecutor to be
Hey, did they take you to an ambulance yet? They already
Yeah.
did that. Oh, damn, I missed it. Damn, sorry. I was trying to get the lady, a loyal lady, actually. I don't know.
A good figure.
What's the postal of hospital, by the way?
8038.
8038? Okay.
Hey, bud, I have a question. You alright?
Hey,
You okay?
hey, shouldn't you be in the court right now?
I wanna go to hospital.
8039.
My sis is at
8040
hospital.
actually.
Hey, do me this. Just go inside the courtroom for a little bit. They'll probably wonder where you just went. All right?
My
Yeah,
hospital, my
we're here
sis.
for you.
My sis is
We
at
know.
hospital. I
We
wanna
would ride
go
with you
to
there, but
hospital.
I would go to my truck, but you know. You want a sticker?
No, I wanna go to my
Oh,
sis.
dang.
She's in hospital. Please
Just got
take
rejected
me
by a
to
kid. How do you feel?
hospital.
How do you feel, deputy?
That's my life story and what's around that door.
Where's your sister at? Hospital.
Hospital. Pillbox hospital.
All right. Do you
That's
want to
what
ride
they
with me? You can sit up in the front.
Sure.
Okay.
I'll follow
Okay.
you, deputy.
All right, perfect. And then you're gonna have to hold on. Oh, yeah, hold that car. Hold these cars. Hold these cars.
Gotcha.
Go, little one, go. All right, you can sit up front with me. All right.
Okay. The car's locked.
Hey, what's that FIB agent's name, sir? Sir, K9, sir.
Yeah, what's up?
What's that FIB guy's name?
I have no idea. It won't even give it to me.
No, I need his name so I can. I want to press charges on him.
All right, no, you'll be able to press charges. Hold on.
Give me his name. Oh shit! I have to relog. I have to close here because my voice box is broken.
No, that's that.
Yeah. He was going to jail for. Yeah, he was gonna go to jail. All right, get in.
Everyone in.
Let's go.
All right, you said pillbox, right?
Blitz in. Blitz.
He was
Wanna
a
play with the
bad
lights?
dad. Yeah.
I mean, we could. Whoa, my freaking dear lord, my eyeballs are really bad, if you know what I mean.
He was a bad dad. He told cops to take us to jail.
Did he?
Yeah, he's like, take them. I'm like, what? We're supposed
You
to
want
help
to
them.
press the lights and sirens so we could go through?
They're giving me an MRI now.
Oh, okay. No, I wanna go to hospital. I wanna see my sister. No.
Let's go. Think this car is cool. All right, go and get out.
It's my sister.
All right, let's try and go find your sister. What happened to your sister?
I heard something about a seizure or something.
Oh. She in this room? No.
Hey, no, don't go in there. MRI's going.
My sister is in there.
Yeah, where's the sister at?
You don't need. I don't need you here, ma'am.
Yeah, well,
sir. Can you take this little boy out to the waiting area?
Yeah.
I'll come and update you guys as soon as I get
Hey, bud.
the scans.
He really wants to see his sisters, and he just ran back.
I
there.
understand. I understand, but
yeah.
there is a lot of trauma, I'm gonna assume. So
Gotcha.
it's just better that he goes out. I have some coloring books, and there's a table out there that you can play with.
Yeah.
All right. All right, buddy. You want to come with me? You'll be able to see your sister here in a minute.
Come on, go through here.
Okay.
Go back to the ward A. Actually, no, go left.
Yeah. Let's wait. I was like,
Hey,
huh?
thank
Yeah,
you.
what's up?
You two are nice people.
I try to be.
Hey, what department is this? I think they are nice.
I'm a part of the Los Santos County Sheriff's Office.
What Santos is? Okay, they're good. State are bad.
Yeah.
PCSO is bad.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Terrible people. My department's the best. I'm telling you. What? Hey. Whoa. Sir, what was that? Yeah. What are you doing?
I don't hear him. Is he talking?
I have no idea. I'm trying to figure out the same exact thing. I hear you want to walk over there so we can like play with or color a coloring book, or do you want to sit over here with the coloring books?
Mm-hmm.
We could also look at the fishies. Want anything to drink
No, thanks.
or eat or anything? Oh. Hey, your SGT is on. No problem.
Hey, it's okay. She'll be in operation. It's gonna take some time, and if you guys wanna leave, that's okay. I'll just stay here. You know.
Yeah, or he'll just stay here. Hey, what's your name, buddy?
Tyler.
Tyler?
Mm-hmm.
How's it going, Tyler? My name is Deputy Vincent.
Huh? Case dismissed. He
No
wasn't
idea who
the
these guys are, but yeah.
he wasn't the judge.
Yo, can anyone hear him if he's talking?
I can hear him. No, I don't think
Is he
is.
talking? Uh-uh.
There are some bad people, some bad cops.
Agree.
Yeah.
I got hit by a cop vehicle. See, look at my knee.
Oh my god.
I'm
Hello?
strong.
Hello.
There we go.
Sorry, my bad.
You got tased by cops. You get hit by cop cars.
Sorry, my my voice just like, kind of out there.
It was my
Anything else
sister who
happen?
got tased 5 times. I got hit. Like they just hit me. They bit me.
Hey, I heard
That's
a-
what they called.
I heard a cop not too long ago also tased your sister.
Yeah.
Yeah, we about to take
For
care of a
different-
cop.
Yeah.
They're bad people.
Come on.
Deputy, what's so funny?
Hey, enforcer. Can I have a word with you?
Yeah, 1 second. I should have smacked this cop, but let's go. What do you want to talk to me about? Oh, if peacetime goes off.
And my dad just told them, take them.
Put that away. Just kidding.
That's how bad
I
he
gotcha.
is. That's what I told
well,
him. I don't like.
he's
He
gonna-
was
Alright.
coming when we don't need him, and when we needed him.
Alright, so you know my name? It's gonna be Adam. That's my name.
Adam.
Mm-hmm.
Like Adam what? Francisco.
Winston. Adam Winston.
Adam Winston.
Just call me Mr. Winston.
Mr. Winston, huh?
Yep.
Yeah. I'm gonna call you Dr. Winston. Go see
I'm
how his.
gonna call you Mr. Vincent under the 6 feet underground.
Hey,
Dang!
Is the government system gonna turn off that like purge thing off or whatever the hell?
Oh, yeah, I know.
I wonder. Do you have any idea, Bud? If the government system's gonna like turn off the purge thing or whatever the hell?
Oh, hold up.
Oh,
Here we
yeah,
go.
it's
Here's
one
some
ugly
news.
nurse, whatever the hell that is. Come
All right. I would prefer the little boy not be here.
Are you a female?
Hey,
yes.
Hey,
Yeah.
hey, Debbie, you
Yes.
wanna take?
You're a female with a
It seems like
mustache
he's
and a
more
beard.
trustworthy.
Are
towards
you guys
Hey, buddy, you wanna
family?
come this way?
Yeah, yeah. No, we just watch
We
over
protect
the-
kids.
Yeah, we protect kids.
Here, do you
So
wanna
it's
go?
news.
You wanna go see my dog?
So
Yeah.
this
Alright,
the
come here.
little girl has major
Hey, wait, do you want me to bring him
brain
in
bleeds.
or what?
She
You want me
has
to get him
brain
out of the car?
swelling.
Shit.
Sir,
Is it?
your neck is missing.
It's not for me. Oh my god.
Well, that means we have a green to kill them all. Like, if they really want to go this route, that means we literally have a green light to kill every single person who was involved in that case. We have claws to kill them.
Top neurosurgeons in the nation.
Oh wow.
Hey, buddy, you wanna come with me?
But the chances in
I'm not going to tell them. That's why I just said. If that's true, then there's only one thing to do.
We can't do what
I
I
will
want.
That's
try
it.
my best.
So we're not gonna tell the.
Even if they're
brother?
playing cops, I bet you they're gonna cry RDM. But nope, that's it.
tell
They're
him
gonna
something, you know,
die.
something bad happened.
Come for him.
Let me just know, or I'll come out and let you know.
I think I'm gonna have my daddy's M14 that I
I'll let
stole
the
from his
deputy know.
closet
Yeah, we'll go comfort him.
and just snipe him out, and then they're gonna cry about it.
How do you get this dog to follow you?
Kid with
One
gun.
muscle. Did you just turn that kid into a
Oh,
dog?
I got you.
Oh no.
No.
Oh,
Can
there it
I
is.
get a phone?
Hey,
Yeah.
hey, deputy, I need to speak to you in code words. Daughter surgery, daughter brain, daughter.
Can you
Here's
tell
your
me
phone,
what
or here's my phone.
happened to my
Daughter red.
case?
To be honest with you, I have no idea. Yeah, do you want
Here you go, deputy. Don't show the kid.
Oh shit! Damn.
Get that back to me. I'm
Alright.
gonna crumble it up and rip it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. All right, here's my phone. Shit! Oh shit! Fucking open doors.
Hey, little buddy. So, there's some stuff going on with your sister right now, right? She's, in surgery. That's all I can say right now. But she's getting better. She's trying to get the help, and she'll become better.
She'll be okay.
Don't forget about yours. Yours is even
Yes,
worse.
yes. She'll be okay. Hopefully. Don't you dare punch a kid.
I wasn't trying to. I was trying to fuck some
Just making sure. But yes, she will be okay. Just, we have to stay positive. Make sure the surgery goes well. So, yes, positive. Yes. Stay happy, positive.
Alright, may I speak to one of you?
Yeah, mate. Come here.
Over here. In here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm just watching a kid right now.
Well, do you want Rebecca to die? Actually,
No.
Comes in here back and forth. So you'd probably be better.
Kid won't leave unless he has a sister.
I'm just treating. So that means all these things are okay to do. Okay.
Yep. I think the doctors want us out of here. They're trying to kick us out. But Like I said, just stay positive for now. Oh my god, another deputy? Oh my lord.
Oh my god.
We all gonna die.
Yeah, I don't blame you. Deputies, I said, don't deputies like smell or
We
something?
hate the LSPD right now. They're a bit
I want the government
corrupt.
system to turn off the purge alarm.
Yeah,
I mean,
you know, we got
turn it back on. I mean,
you know the FIB.
Do we
is
trust
in, you know,
Giardic and Navy
he's got it coming
TK?
from. Oh, sorry, your father has it coming from.
yeah.
I don't know who we can bring on in on it.
Yeah, let's just stop worrying about
Look
it.
at Twitter.
Yeah, I've been reading it.
He'll be dead by himself.
That's what I'm saying.
I
Like,
mean, not dead.
they can't
6
do
feet under by
stupid. That's
himself.
why I wanted Billy to come, because he would be like, nah, fuck that shit. I'm not standing
it
for it. Like,
takes
he'd
is
get
one
passionate about it.
investigation.
But these guys are all
One call
being
away.
trolls, and it's setting the
One second,
precedent that that's going to be okay to do.
Yeah, I know. Okay, you can talk now. Yep, I
Hello,
know.
deputy. Or, you know, hi.
So do you think I should maybe message Navy TK and Giardic, or I'm not sure? Who do we trust?
I trust all these people who are nearby me right now. Parse, Winnie, Jaguar. You gonna come as different person? Go ahead and come.
Well, I'm still being operated on.
Twitter's going ham right now.
Holy moly.
Somebody said, yes, very informative. Thank you for the heads up. Now, if you can excuse me, I'll be on a mission to tase some children.
Oh. Oh my god. Is it? Hold on. Are you right?
No.
It better not be. I mean, oof, I might have to give you $100 just to say congratulations for standing up for yourself. I mean, what? Oof.
Damn.
Tweets from a person's kid's own dad said to cops take them, and now he tries for their love. I mean, hey. Oof.
Hey, what are you laughing at? What's so funny?
The fact that we threatened a FBI agent earlier.
Noticed something in my head.
What's so funny, deputy?
How the fuck can y'all hear me?
Cause you don't have your boot muscle on.
Yep.
Yeah, I do.
Oh,
I
well,
know.
it ain't working.
You may need to take yourself away from your voice box for a minute. Yeah.
Okay, if you wanna come as different person, you can come over here. By the way.
No, come as her.
Hey, Timmy.
Just gotta give me some time to recover.
Tyler, right?
Yeah.
Tyler.
Yeah, Tyler.
What's
On
up?
my bed, sir.
Oh, it's alright. Don't worry about it. Where's the kid? Where is she?
Right here. She's
Standing right in front of your eyes.
No. Come over here, sir.
Where is she?
Hey, doctor,
Hold on.
please hold. Come here.
I have some updates if you want it.
Yeah, I'll
She was
take
in
him.
surgery.
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
No, come over here. This is the
Where?
district attorney.
Well,
Okay.
assistant, just
Assistant
yeah.
district attorney.
I am sorry to inform you guys, but she made it. It's
Hold on.
gonna be a little.
Let's go through here.
Hold on.
Why would? Oh, Jesus! Why would you do that to me? Fuck.
It's gonna be a little bit touch and go. She has a lot of swelling. There are signs of a stroke. We won't know more until she wakes up. When that time comes, then we'll know if she is. Her face wasn't deformed like you would see in a stroke patient. So
What about
but
the
all signs?
the BB? The brain bleed.
The brain bleeds. I was able to get them all, so there's no more bleeding in the brain. But I will definitely watch her, make sure she doesn't, stroke out or, gets another, brain bleed.
Yep.
Um,
Here,
it's
buy whatever you want.
What's up?
So you said there's pressure in the brain or in the head?
Yeah,
Have you drilled a hole in her head to relieve that pressure?
I did. I did do boreholes.
Yeah, I'm just curious.
Boreholes.
Yeah,
Sorry.
thank you.
I want my
Hello,
sister.
Angels members. Should I speak to you?
Yeah, I get that you want your sister, but
She is in ICU right now. I will take you back.
oh, you didn't see that.
Would it not give you the right candy or something?
Right there.
Yeah,
But as of
exactly.
right now, I would just very much appreciate if you guys didn't come back.
Yep. Damn it.
You got Snapchat?
We're
Dang
still
it.
watching, kid.
I do have Snapchat.
Yeah.
You would like to follow me outside?
Yeah.
Sure.
Can I get your snap, deputy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see what snap. Oh, the kid is fat. Oh, never mind.
Oh.
Sorry, say that again.
What's your snap, deputy?
Okay, it's gonna be they actually want it?
Yeah, man.
Like my real one?
Yeah, man.
Like in my head one?
Yeah, man.
Oh shit. I'll go and put it in the OOC bubble, if you know what I mean.
No, I already got it, but I need your.
Oh.
I need your.
Hold on. Let me check my recent snap in my
I
head.
need Nah, I don't know, man. I kind of need it. If I need to call you, you know. You got Snapchat, bud?
Hold on.
No.
No. Oh yeah, I don't blame you. I wouldn't get it.
I'm
Some people are
reading
weird. I think.
things on his phone.
You seen bad things on his phone?
Reading
Yeah,
things.
I think he does bad things. Oh, that's not good. Somebody had to admit him. Oh god. All right. Oh, hello.
What are you doing? Where's my other doctor? Where'd my nurse go?
Passed away.
Fuck. He passed away.
Yeah. Get back over. Let's get back in the lot. Oh my god, where the hell did this little kid go? Oh shit. Alright. Is he going to look at the fishies? Let's go look at the fishies. No? Okay. Do you like fish? No? Okay.
I don't want anything.
You what?
I don't want anything. Thanks.
No, I was just saying you want to look at the fish? At the fishes? Go look at
No.
them in the tent. Okay.
Hey, Rebecca, can you hear me?
Let's change character and let's be Victoria and Katerina and be in town and let's get revenge. How about that? You gonna do that?
No, they're not related. We'll kill them as children. It's fine.
As children? Wow.
Yes. Because our dad is a cop and we're gonna steal his keys to his helicopter. That's how I'm gonna get a sniper rifle. Remember?
You can't be back here.
Okay, bye. Oh, I left my dad. Our dad is on their side.
Yeah, I know. That's fine. We're gonna steal the keys to his helicopter, and that's how we get a sniper rifle. And we're gonna kill them.
Because a little child here. You want any
That or
guns?
I'll
I'm
stay in
saying
a
I got water
coma
and
so
guns.
that I can be Victoria. You want to do that?
It's trident gum.
I'll be Katerina. I'm 7 years old.
You mind
I
if I
don't
see
think
the
I
kid?
can do that.
Yeah, I don't know. It's up to the doctor.
Okay.
Man.
So then you want me to wake up, right?
So funny.
But you're not the injured one.
I don't know. They probably have like 7 holes or whatever. But yeah, you can check it if you want to walk in there. Yeah, there's a doctor. He wants to look at a dead kid or something.
You gonna come
No,
now as a
I'm
different character? I'll come as different.
checking up on the
Let's
kid
do
that had
that.
a seizure over at the courthouse.
Who are you, if you don't mind me asking?
Sergeant John Verktes was on duty at the time it happened.
I think he's like a desk duty cop.
All right.
Oh, I'm a detective. There's a difference.
A detective.
Where's your badge?
You smell fake.
On me.
You smell like
I
you
see
smell
it.
like you smell like beef and cheese.
So,
Sergeant?
hold on.
That's right.
I know
I
sergeant.
mean, only sergeants use gold badges.
Well, yeah.
I know
That's why I've got it on.
too.
Alright, guys, I need to go completely. See you guys.
See you.
Bye, Daddy.
Can one of you guys delete my car, please?
Whoa.
I will. I got it.
What?
Yeah, I just want to check up on her to see what's going on.
Yes. If you guys want to come over here. So she is very stable. She has woken up.
Hey,
She's
Blitz,
kind
I'm
of
gonna
in
hop
and
off.
out of, couldn't get her to talk, but she definitely knows, she definitely woke up. Her pupils reacted normally to light sensitivity, so I'm going to be able to say that she has no stroke, no signs of deficits.
Oh,
Yeah.
gotcha.
So, if you guys would like to follow me, I will take you back to her right now.
Yeah. Oh, also, which led me to forget before I ran up here, I prepared emancipation papers. I will present with her. Since we are two legal officials, she can sign them within our presence because that's what she wishes. And then I'm going to deliver that to the father, so that he can sign his rights away.
We can't change if we want to kill them.
You will,
if you don't want to shoot, then just distract them.
Was definitely caused by
Okay.
the taser.
Then fine. That's actually
They were
quite
just
enough.
signs of, just different.
I mean, you can get their attention, and then I'll snipe them. That's how we can do it.
So great.
Sure.
So we have a judge.
What the fuck are you doing back here?
I told you one. Hey, actually, before you leave, I have some papers to address to you.
We'll probably
Isn't
follow
that
Hold up.
Isn't that a crybaby
I'm
daddy
going to
here?
present you with
Go.
papers.
Go.
No, hold on. I need him real quick.
Well, he spit on me twice.
Stupid bikers, will you?
You
deserve it.
Square up, bitch.
I need
Hold
you
on.
for a
Let him
moment. I'm going to
know.
present
Do
you.
not do this here. Get out of here if you are gonna start that.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to agree with the doctor. If you guys are gonna, if you guys are gonna stop
We don't
fights,
have
So
much
can you
time
follow me
though.
over here,
If you want to
please?
do that,
Bikers,
we
you
don't
can
have
stay
much
here with
time.
me.
Okay.
So we're
You're
gonna
supposed to
reset
stay
in
away
30
from the
minutes.
child.
All right, officer, can I speak to you privately?
So that
Because
peacetime has been on this
something needs
entire
to be
time.
done now about this.
Do you want to?
Daddy's here. Let's do it.
Tyler. No,
Let's
stay.
get his keys.
I'll wake up as
Get
soon
back.
as people come in or whatever.
Man, would you like
How
to
did
go
he
see
get past?
Rebecca now?
Did he take the downstairs elevator?
Okay, we are coming.
Watch a kid. I'll watch this guy. Go.
He was not at the trial, and he comes back in this FBI stuff, and he's claiming to be their father. Something needs to be done about that
do
because he was
we
not.
know who the father is?
I have not heard anything about that. Once we brought to, I was wondering the same thing about who the actual.
Okay. Do you know what day it is? What year? Sorry, you don't need to say the date.
I had not seen him.
I don't know. How long have I been asleep for? Are you saying like 5 years later?
It's actually 20 years later, to be exact.
What?
You are now. No,
It's 2042.
I'm kidding. It's 2022. You've only been out for, I would say, about 2-3 days.
Oh, my head.
Yeah, you had a little bit of a seizure that left you unconscious and unresponsive. I was able to do immediate surgery that was very successful. There's no deficits, no sign of any losses, due to your any losses to your mobility, to speech. So I'm very certain you'll make a full recovery. I would just give yourself 1 to maybe 3 months just to get back on your feet and go through physical therapy. I don't know if you'll, walk or not. Okay. I don't know if you can walk right away. That might be one like thing you have to relearn. But if that's it, then that's the best. So I'll go. Do you want anybody else in the room with you?
Yeah, I don't mind if they stay.
Okay. All right, that's fine. I will definitely be here throughout the night just to make sure you're not gonna seize again or have any troubles. Okay.
Okay.
And I'll get a special room prepared for you. I'll have my nurse do it or my other doctor do it. He's kind of he's the one that I give all the bitch work to. So, anyways, if you have no questions for me, I'm gonna go ahead and walk out of the room. Any questions, comments, concerns?
How long until I'm gonna be okay?
If I would pace yourself. Don't try to get out of bed yet. I think give it a couple weeks before you try to get back on your feet. I will provide a walker for you. I want to say by like maybe tomorrow or the next day we will get you in a wheelchair so that way you can, at least sit up and not be glued to a bed.
Signature, she just woke up from the surgery.
But I will give you about a year to be fully back to 100% health. Brain surgery is not just a simple procedure. It can be very tricky sometimes. I say a year for most of my patients that come in with your type of
Hey, boy.
situation.
You
So
wanna step out
it
real
could
quick?
be less or it could be more. It just depends on your pace at how you're going with physical
Yeah.
therapy and stuff like that.
Your father
So
has legally signed his rights away. In my briefcase, I have full emancipation papers that are signed by him too.
so if you is there any more questions?
Emancipation papers have been signed, and he has legally signed his rights away. So
Help
his
me,
signature from
doctor.
her when she is medically
I will
able
help
to.
you as much as I can.
Therefore, she will be
I did
medically
not.
and
I'm not going to
medically
prescribe you morphine. I'm not going to prescribe morphine.
she will have
I
no
will prescribe Tylenol, 800 to 1,000 milligrams,
Child Protective Services.
as needed. So if you're in more pain, then I can raise the dosage and whatnot.
She will essentially most likely end up in some sort
It
of
just
adoption.
yeah. I mean, or it'll be between Tylenol and ibuprofen. Those are the two that I very much recommend.
Since they have been
But
just signed,
morphine's off the table because I don't want to get you addicted to opioids. That's not something that is in my cards.
Medically and physically capable of
So,
mentally,
anything else for me, little boy? Do you have any questions?
He's talking
You
to
guys
you.
have any questions for me?
No.
DA?
When will my sister be okay to walk?
Yes, your sister will definitely be able to walk soon.
It is going to take a lot of patience and helping out, but yes, she will be able to walk. She will have all normal functions. With time, the surgery, it will take time to recover from this.
Hey, buddy, what's your sister's name again?
And do you have any
What's her name?
questions for me?
Apparently, it's Rebecca.
Rebecca.
Are we gonna meet back here after our heads go poop?
Yes.
Who?
And he tried taking the son.
Okay. Rebecca, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, Rebecca. So, I'm not gonna deliver these to you right now, but I just want you to know that your father has signed emancipation papers, okay? Essentially, completely revoking and signing his rights away as a legal guardian / parent.
What?
Okay?
He's abandoned us on top.
I gave him that choice. I
We
delivered the
always knew
papers
he
to
was
him.
an asshole.
He chose to sign them. So you guys, as of right now, legally do not have a father. So we will make sure that you do get placed into better hands. Somebody that'll actually take care of you. Okay? And Rebecca, when you are medically and physically capable of signing anything, I will need your signature. Okay? But for right now, young man, I'm gonna need to take you into the next room because I need you to sign this document for me, okay? To the best of your ability. And I'm gonna have the other attorney present.
How's her
Okay?
vitals look?
I never
Come with me,
signed
pal.
I am
anything.
checking them right now.
Oh no, that's why I say I need you to sign something.
Who's their mother?
Oh, you said you haven't signed anything before?
We could move her.
No.
Go get
Who's-
another MRI
Who's the mother?
scan.
The mother?
Yes.
To my knowledge, there is not a mother. I believe.
So they were just produced asexually?
No, that I didn't
So
mean
there
that.
has to be a mother.
Yeah, well, there has to be. I'm not sure if she's alive, but we can manage to track her down.
Okay. So
Okay, hold on. Let's go find a room suitable for them.
I
Okay.
believe we
Do you
could
have a
go
mom?
ahead
No,
and
little man over here.
transfer her.
You're staying with me. They're just gonna find a room where they're able to move your sister. Okay. So, do you have a mother, or did your mother pass away?
I don't know. Ask Dad.
Oops, I crashed.
Okay, hold on. Stay here.
They're asking about mom now. And by the way, why is everyone going
I don't know.
after
You could say
lawyer
she left.
though?
We already said that she left.
Come
Yeah.
with me,
No,
Pal.
it's them. It's literally the cop crew who's saying that. Go look at
Bailiff.
what IDs belong to them.
One of them is bailiff though. I thought bailiff
He's
was with
probably just,
us.
I don't know. He's probably just not realizing what's going on, or I don't fucking know. Your guess is as good as mine. Let me put it that way.
Officer.
It's really stupid. That's why I said fuck it. We're just gonna kill
Can
them
you
all.
do me a favor and do a deep dive into the records of
Like there's nothing else to be done at this point.
history? I need
They
to know
don't
if
want
they
to
have a
admit
mother.
to what they did was wrong, and everyone apparently just wants to shove it off. So
One second,
everyone that's on
they're
our side is
talking.
gonna
One
kill.
sec.
Well, yes, but that would take time, and what you guys need to do is, search
It's
out.
called the dark web, but I mean, what?
Do we have a
Even
last
actually,
name to follow by?
Hey pal, what's your last name, buddy?
J.
Yours and your
Cole.
sister's last name.
J.
Jacob?
Cole. J. Cole.
Oh, Jacob.
Tyler
How do you
J.
spell
Cole.
that?
Jacob. Tyler
What's
and
your
Rebecca
name?
J. Cole.
Yeah, our last name is J. Cole, by the way.
Actually, Doctor, can we not just do a simple DNA test to determine the father and the mother?
It's
I
what?
mean, I could probably just call it dispatch, see if they have any records on it.
Oh, it's just Cole, not J. Cole.
Those are the kids.
J is probably the first
See if
initial in his
they've
name.
known
So
anyone from the FIB who knows
Yeah,
like that.
if you would like to do, can you
Then
do a
dispatch
DNA
that for
test too,
test.
as well?
8038. Can I get
call
a
me.
records check on
What did you say?
a Tyler J. Cole, spelled J-K-O-L-E?
J is my dad's middle name. So,
We're gonna need
is that what you're
parental
asking?
records of sorts.
I'll see you back here, your friend.
Yeah.
World is
Well,
dying.
I will not see, but yeah. Bye.
oh, right when the server reset.
Yeah. So what is it? So it's them. All those. Damn. I feel sad.